Yo, yo,
Yo, yo, yo.
what you saying?
Not bad, not bad. You?
Yeah, I'm good.
Nice.
Just started streaming.
Lovely. Get on that so I can talk to the people if they're on. Give that a quick like. Oh, I'm on Enigma. Whoops. Let me just switch account. Right, let's see how BTC is doing. So BTC is going against me right now in the morning. Currently close to break even, but we have major resistance around 20,650, which London could start kicking in. London Open could start kicking in, start tanking Bitcoin again. It was New York where it started tanking, I think. No, pre-New York it started tanking. Let's see if that's the same thing today. Right. Jeez. Right.
Alright.
I had a Mandem stay yesterday till 9:30, so I kept streaming till 9:30.
Yeah, I saw that actually. I forgot his name, but started with an R. Something.
Yeah.
Alright, what is GJ doing? GJ. Interesting.
It's
Took
dropped.
liquidity from Asia already. Tapped into a selling area. We definitely got liquidity waiting towards the downside. Easy money right here.
That is sketchy.
So, to be fair, if it pushes up higher and we get another bearish candle, I will definitely sell this. Like, yeah, if this move happened like now, I would have sold probably. But let's see what happens once we retrace up to the top of this high. And I'll be looking
A
to
little bit
sell it.
too early, I feel like.
Say that again?
It's a little bit too early for me.
Do you reckon?
For me, anyways, yeah. Although it is a rotation area, so on the daily view app, so it could work. Well, not daily, I think it's a weekly one. Let me check. Yeah, it's a weekly view app. It's on a rotation play. Retesting a second deviation. If it pushes up slightly, as you said, it could end up touching the view app itself. That's a good reversal sign back down. And then targets would probably be 170, 200 to take out these lows.
Mm.
Grab liquidity from these lows. Long-term target 169, 400. Not long-term, intraday. And that's a daily view app level. Daily and a view app level as well. So quite a lot.
Just wondering. It would be respecting bearish structures still. If
Yeah.
we push down from here, if we look on, like since yesterday, since the start of yesterday, essentially,
Mm.
very clean bearish structure. Bish, bash, bish. This here, did that purge the low? No, either way, I don't think it matters if it purges the low.
It didn't. No, I don't think so. Oh, it did. It did on Owanda.
Either way, it's the same thing.
It's that's equals. That's really
Yeah,
that's
I
equals
don't think anyone
realistically.
really sold there unless you're
Uh,
stupid. But then, yeah, for a continuation, it is a Tuesday. We know Tuesday likes to follow Monday. Start of the month though, so let's see what the monthly looks like. Maybe let's give some targets for the month.
I think it has to be a tick, right? It has to be at least a tick or a pip before anyone even sells a breakout trade. No one's gonna break out. Like, that's the spread would get you. Then you'd get destroyed, like as you
Yeah, I mean for sure, it
said.
depends on the candle too. So if I go back,
Yeah, true. Yeah,
depends what happened before it reached the low. Like if it's one big candle, yeah, like here, look, it's one big ass candle. You're gonna wait for
yeah,
it to finish, aren't you?
yeah, sure.
What are we gonna do? Monthly.
Well, the momentum was there, so people might have sold because of the momentum. They were like, "Oh, it's going to continue, absolutely get destroyed." So maybe they will sell as they're getting tapped, but highly unlikely, I would say. Highly unlikely. I like a description. It's actually quite clean now.
Yeah, that's good.
Soon, I'll be putting book recommendations down there so
Book
people can start
recommendations.
learning. Yeah, because I'm going to want to start reading books properly.
Okay.
I heard you can make a lot of knowledge in books. So I heard.
um,
My computer just froze. I'm still talking, but I can't exit out of tab.
peak. Nationwide housing prices in 8 minutes could be important
Could be. Could be.
for the UK at least.
US 30. Let's see what's happening with that. US 30 is at top of the VWAP level. Not going to trade that right now. There's no New York volume yet. Euro JPY consolidation again. Boring ass pairs, man. Honestly, jeez, man. I'm looking at them right now. I'm like, there's nothing I really want to do with them. I guess S&P 500 did kind of what I wanted. Started pushing down a little bit. Not really a big day per se, but still started pushing down slightly. Nasdaq kind of the same thing, but retraced back up anyways. But I feel like that's gonna get hurt the most. Bitcoin is now rejecting the VWAP daily VWAP level. So in terms of scaling, this could be a good one. All right, I could scale in here. As my other entry is already a break even, I could potentially scale in this one. It's also more of like a channel as well, so could do that. That might be a shout. Where would I put my stop loss, and where would the most reasonable stop loss be, though? That is the issue.
The monthly on GJ, I'm expecting, to be honest, from what it looks like, I would expect momentum to continue carrying it up towards the next zone, which is around 180, which is
Mm.
crazy considering what's actually going on. But to be honest, I expect at least the monthly high to get taken,
Mm.
which is around 172, up to at least this key level around here, 174. I don't really look at key levels, but since it's the monthly, I think it's quite important.
Slight issue with holding this. Sorry, carry on.
175, yeah, 175. I would expect at least that to get taken, but I don't think the weekly has a bottom wick yet. Sorry, the monthly, which is weird. No, yeah, the daily essentially does not have a bottom wick yet, as it is the first day of the month. So what we can expect today is, if I look at the daily, if I clear this again, yeah, a bearish day looks more likely today, to be honest. Just from watching the price action, we pushed up, broke the high, really struggled to actually get momentum. We got a clear bullish engulfing candle. Then straight after we were bearish, got another rejected.
Rejected 172 almost perfectly as well, so psychological level
There you
there.
go.
In terms of weekly, not really clean weekly like rejections. Nowhere in 172, so a little bit less. Um, what's it called? Convincing, but
Mm,
still pretty decent. Still pretty decent, I would say. My overall target for the upside is 175 for now, if bullish structure remains. So that would be the one. But in terms of right now, I could easily see it going back down to 168 potentially, retesting that because it hasn't actually retested. So it broke the 168 level. You can see all the wicks and stuff, but never retested it.
yeah.
So we could have a clean break and retest scenario for the push up to 175. But I was saying yesterday though, um, because of the fundamental news. So yen is obviously weak as well, but also pound is also weak. So there's no bias fundamentally for pound yen. We could expect slow days for the coming week ahead.
Mm.
That's what I was saying. But obviously, as you a day trader, doesn't matter too much. Okay.
This is interesting.
Let's see it.
So if we look at this, what did price do yesterday? We had highs, they got taken, then we had a very slow retracement back to the area where the highs were taken.
Yeah.
Then price attempted to push up again,
Failed.
and then proceeded downwards.
Yeah.
What has happened
Even
today?
yeah.
If I now flip this, let's see if it's easy to flip it. I don't know if it is.
Alt I. Oh.
Oh no, that's gonna take too long. Okay, what's happened today? Okay, what happened yesterday? We took the highs, price pushed up significantly, loads of bullish candles in one direction. We
News
retraced.
back.
Yo, new.
New is
Long
back.
time no see.
Yo,
But
you missed it, man. We had so many people one time.
yeah. But what I was saying was, we pushed back to where the highs were, attempted to push up again, and then we got the final move down. Continuation in that direction.
Yeah.
So what's happened now? We took lows. So it's the opposite. Took the lows, significant bearish candles in one direction. We retraced to where the high was, or sorry, the lows were taken. And then we attempted to break the low, but we didn't. Then we pushed back up to, then we pushed past the level that the lows were taken, which is what happened yesterday. We pushed past the level that the highs were taken. But then we retraced and we continued upwards. No, sorry, we retraced and we continued downwards. So today we retrace, and what will happen is we'll continue bullish. That's just my prediction.
Continue bullish. Okay.
So maybe, yeah.
Okay. Again, I you
That
know,
puts me
highs
out
not
of,
taken
yeah.
for me.
It
Highs not
doesn't really give
taken.
me buys, but
No.
makes me more wary of the sells.
Where's Discord so I can tell the mandems to wake the heck up. Enjoy.
But yeah, we've had loads of people on the stream recently.
Yeah, we were like, bro, when's new, man? The time
Yeah.
where we actually get people in and he has friends.
Yeah, it's like, I hope your break achieved its purpose, whatever you're trying to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, bare people. And last week was even a good week as well. It was like 80% win rate, 70% win rate.
Adeel won a lot, to be fair, and I
lot.
took a step back and I couldn't win for the for the life of me to save my life,
Yeah.
but it
You
is
had
what it is, man.
3 winning days, 1 break even day.
I had 2 losing days. I was like, I'm not having it. Yeah,
Oh,
that's what I said.
right,
I literally
half
said,
term, okay.
I was like, bro, New's probably taking care of his chilling with his family, chilling with his kids.
Yeah.
Like that's what I said.
That's the good thing about being a trader, isn't it?
You can just
Whenever
chill
your
whenever
kids
you
are
want,
off,
man.
you're off. I guess
Yeah.
that's a good
You get the
point.
teacher lifestyle. You work the rest of the time when your kids are
Yeah.
kind of thing. As for me, I'm looking for BTC sells here. The only issue I have with BTC sells is if it, like the weekly candle last week finished above weekly resistance. So I was expecting kind of the daily level to kind of close below it, but it didn't. So holding break even right now, but we'll see. We'll see. As for gold, let's see what's happening with gold. Gold's rallying, you know.
Let's see what
I told the guy yesterday the correct thing. I said as soon as you break below, and then if we finish back up above, it's best to stop buying, and look for the buy side liquidity up there.
Oh, gold, what are you doing? Let's see.
So no trades at all this week then, or last week? No trades at all. Straight up break. What's that like?
Yeah. Gold's tricky to trade right now, isn't it? At least scalping wise.
Gold is a scalper's dream right now, I think.
What's it doing?
Broke the highs from previously. Nothing, man. Jeez. That's sick. That's sick. engaging. Just re-engaging. Gotta spend time with the family, of course, man. That's why we want the freedom with trading. So I want to be our own boss. We're just stuck trading all day, every day, anyways. So might as well just did a 9 to 5 job, right? Might as well. Wow, gold is rallying right now, man. 89% up for the day. Crazy. 0.89% for the day up for the day today. Ooh. Looks like we're gonna be bullish for the rest of the day, boys. And pound yen isn't following suit, so
Yeah, if we
yeah.
take these lows and give me the buy opportunity, I love it. I would love it.
Here we go. So pound Aussie dollar broke through my daily level here. It might be. We'll see what happens here, but he has rejected the lower wicks over here on the lower time on the daily time frame. Sorry, could start reversing back up for pound Aussie dollar. Could. There's a possibility.
Yeah, what are you looking for on GJ now? I know you said the same, but I think I gave two different ideas there. At least there's one on the screen and one that I mentioned, so it's sort of different. Sells here would have been nice. Happened before the stream though.
Got my oil prediction right. That's pretty good.
I think buys after this low is taken as good.
Euro dollar.
Very sell from a higher level to target 1.69650.
Euro dollar might be a good sell here. Spike it back down to 0.98.
I wanted to sell from a higher level to target
986. That's what gold mean gold, maybe.
Okay, you want price to go here. Okay, I see why.
869, 650.
I see this rough zone here. It's definitely liquidity. Even a sort of key level.
Let me just put my smart money concept indicator up. There it is. 669, 650. There was a nothing. Not saying anything for me. Oh, there's a value area. There's a not value area. It's a fair value gap. Keep getting those mixed up. No, not that. Just below it. It's 169, 550. According to my indicator. Okay, we've taken the highs. I think we're definitely taking the lows at least here. I think we could potentially continue bearish until London Open. London Open could flip this, maybe. I doubt it, maybe, but could do. Alright, Bitcoin is now falling. Love to see it, boys. We were up 1% yesterday. Now we are only 0.3% in profit. Close to break even. Is what it is.
What's this Bitcoin?
Yeah. Need to be back on my winning days, you know? Winning.
Are you still in that trade?
Boss, man. I'm telling you, I'm holding till like going to 1800. 18, yeah. Even then, I probably still hold till like 1200, to be honest.
Jesus.
No, 12,000, not 1200. That's wrong.
Thought so. Yeah, you had a nice drop though. I don't know if you were in then.
Yeah, I was already in that, yeah. That was exactly...
No partials taken or anything?
No, holding this all the way, bro. I'm looking at scaling in, not taking partials. Heck no.
Fair enough.
We're being greedy this month. We had our losing days, we had our losing ways, but we want to be back we want to be back on the winning ways. WW. That's why we put W's in the chat.
Of course.
Winning ways. MWW, Mark's winning ways. That's what I'm going to call my new concept. Smart Roger concept, smart money concept, MWW.
Could just call it Castro concepts.
Smart
CC.
money Castro concept.
Bruh.
Smart Mark concept. There we go. SMC still.
Smart Mark concept.
Smart Mark concept. Yeah, we've been good, man. Yeah, we've been good. I
You're
mean,
right, man.
I can't speak for Adeel, but yeah, I've been pretty good. Obviously, as I said, bit of a drought with trading. I think I lost like what, 3 trades, 2 trades, something like that. Not ideal, but yeah, it's not bad. We've been growing. We can't prove it right now because no one seems to be going on stream when you're on stream, new. But you know, we were growing quite a
Oh
bit.
yeah,
We had
that reminds me. I need to plug Trading View.
yeah, we had yesterday someone that was brand new. What a biggest compliment I've ever had was he said, "Oh, that's the best explanation someone has said for trading." I
Nah,
was like,
really.
"Oh, thank you, thank you." No, you're not a bad luck, man. You're a good luck shot. As soon as you left the chat and as soon as you left the trading, I started losing. Well, a deal started winning, but that's different.
Maybe you're my bad luck charm, dude.
Yeah, maybe you're my good luck easy.
Nah, that's after you went. I've started the easier to follow strategy. So
Yeah.
I'm not on the 2 minute anymore. 50 minute. We've upgraded. But yeah, what
I
was
mean,
I
our
gonna
sub
say?
count went up since since your departure, since your break. You can see. I think we were on what 30 last time. So, making big moves here, big waves, stepping up the game. Let's see.
Were we on 30?
Yeah, we were on 30.
He's
Let's see.
trying to get a free sub.
Yeah,
Wait,
that's what you are, bro.
who is?
You.
What do you mean?
I think New saying that you just. I think I don't know. I thought I got it, but I guess I didn't. I was thinking he was meaning that like you don't win while he's there, but he still subs, so you got a free sub out of him. I
Alright.
don't know. I'm not too sure. I thought that's what I took it as, but I could be completely wrong here. Yeah, almost doubled. Get in there. Trying to get to 100 soon. Instagram's also on 88, so almost to 100. Trying to
Yeah.
get there.
We're
Trying
throwing a
to
big party for 100.
Maybe not 100. Maybe
I'm messing.
100,000.
I'm messing.
100,000 maybe.
I ain't throwing no party for 100 followers. That's true.
100,000. We'll do
Uh,
we'll fly everyone out.
they're talking about FTMO in the GJ chat.
FTMO, tell them I passed.
Lila's got a funded trader on the call. I'm interviewing him. No, I'm joking.
That's such clickbait. I love that. Yes, we have done backtesting schedule. What do you mean? You lot done your backtesting schedule? So as in like, I mean I backtest every day, so I stick to my schedule. Although I'm running out of data points to really like, because I'm starting to remember the price action now, which is good, but at the same time I'm starting to remember them, so it's getting a bit easy. I'm forward testing at the same
That
time
should
now. As
definitely
well.
make him join. You lot done your backtesting schedule yet?
So I mean I don't know.
I do mind like.
Your weekly live feed. Oh, no, we haven't done that. No.
I wanted to do that on the weekend.
Hey, Bilal's here. What's up, man?
Assalamu alaikum, blah. You right?
I did one back testing video.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
yeah.
1 hour. Yeah, I was gonna do it on Saturday morning or Sunday. Maybe I'll do it this week.
I feel like a back testing thing is a bit too boring. So I feel like when
It's
we get
less
like a
boring.
better following,
I think
then
backtesting is less boring.
for viewers, I feel
Think
like
about how
it's
many
boring
trades
for
you're
viewers.
taking on the live. It's like, and you're proving your.
But it's fake though. That's the thing.
No, but you're taking so many more trades. This is
Yeah, for real
entertaining.
traders like you two, yeah, it's it's
Yeah.
more interesting. You get data points and stuff. But for traders that just come and go, and just want, yeah, it's not as interesting. I feel like when we get a bigger following, I'll start doing them maybe daily, if not weekly.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Or it's something just for the group. Who
yeah,
knows?
true, could be something for the group. When we start growing on Discord as well, I kind of want to do like a weekly call on the Discord group or something, or maybe
Oh yeah, for sure.
just so
So-
it's more interactive. Because right now, I mean, like only Bilal and only Bilal's really interacting.
Mm. What was I gonna say?
Grateful for, but yeah.
You lot done your in terms of actual backtesting, I plan my week the week before. So every Sunday, I just see what time I've got during the week. Try and get some backtesting done.
I'm just chilling. But that's every day.
Did you get in the
You get in
GJ
the
trades? No, Zabra. It happened before the stream, man.
Yeah,
I
unfortunately, it was
would have
very
entered
early.
this like if it happened now, but it happened before the stream. Now I'm
I
gonna
would
be
have
looking for buys if I get a nice confirmation up here. Did you
I
get
would
in the
have-
short, Zabra, my friend?
That would have been an entry requirement for me as well, by the way. But it would have been a bit too early. 6:15, imagine.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's a perfect liquidity grab though.
Yeah,
Look,
I've
we're
already
following
beat out
bearish
already.
structure already. Left equal lows on the bottom. Little quick reaction on the top. Would have been perfect.
think my only issue would be is it retested POC before I could even enter, so maybe that would be no trade for me. But yeah,
Oh, Zabra, I'm guessing you're Jazz
very scaling.
Girl 119.
Total risk is 900. All
Oh,
positions
Pro
are break
Plus.
even.
It's another professional. Yeah, bro, I got 3 scalings, targeting 169. Okay.
Total
The
risk
other guy in the
900.
chat knew he's targeting 169,500, so you're with him. Total risk is 900, all positions at BE right now. Pretty fair enough.
900. That's a weird one.
That's
a weird amount to
amazing.
risk.
Break even already, 7 in the morning. Perfect.
Is 900 1% of your account, or just like it's just something you're comfortable risking?
I think this is the person using FTMO or trying to get funded.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, I have 300k in funding, just past 100k today. Jesus, fair enough.
Nice, lovely, man. I can't believe
Where's
that.
the soundboard, Mark? Where's the soundboard? Yeah, that's pretty good. Fair enough.
You've got 100k more than me. Don't worry. November time, like this month, I'm doing
Yeah.
another 200k. So if I pass
Yeah.
that,
Keep watching the
sure.
streams. See who gets there first. Yeah, should be good.
it'll be a fun one. I'm a different trader than you though. I'm more of a longer term trader. I do 0.5% risk, and maybe 1. Oh, to account for slippage. Oh, I don't account for slippage. I can't lie. I mean, slippage is something that is just gonna happen anyways for me. So
Yeah.
like, I don't really.
I get
Be
why
mine.
you would do that though, because I
the
remember
end of the
you
day, it's
risk
100.
1%, and you'll be looking at your data, and then
Yeah.
every single loss is more than 1%. It's like, fuck's sake, what's going on here? And then the wins. The problem with that though is the 0.9% is when you get the wins,
Slightly lower as well.
now it's lower. So either way, I think as long as you know you got a decent win rate,
Yep,
that
we're in the
stuff
UK.
shouldn't matter too much. It's 2 a.m. Oh, it's another US trader.
Oh wow.
Is it another hustler? 2 a.m.
2 a.m. What would it be? Texas?
I have no idea. 2 a.m.
Imagine I get it right. Imagine I get it right.
5 hours. Yeah,
Texas.
somewhere in the middle, surely. Somewhere in the middle.
Chicago. Oh, Chicago.
What's that? Is that East Coast?
I think so. I think it is. You know.
I thought Chicago is in the middle. I can't lie.
Nah, East.
Chicago.
That's fair enough, man. You like training London, huh? Oh, Midwest.
Mm.
Oh, we got it wrong. Lol.
No, I got it right. In the
You
middle.
got mid, but you said East.
Bro. No. I said middle first.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
all I
okay,
do
fair
is
enough, fair
fucking
enough.
grind. Yeah, rate it. So your London session. Do you go to sleep
London
after
session,
London
yeah.
session, or are you still staying up?
I mean, it's not New York Open. I think New York Open for them is like what?
I'm a
What's
big
the-
hustler in it, bro. Is that
Of that, he knows.
he's trying
He knows the
to?
language. He knows the lingo, bro.
Yeah, he
Got to
does.
London. Nice. Sleep for 3 hours. Oh, we got a Swaggy C in the chat, man.
He's
We
definitely
got a
like
Swaggy C in the chat. This is what Swaggy C does, from what I saw. This is a day in a life. That's what he does.
Mm.
Sleep for 3 hours, work for the rest. I'm like, bro, you need some sleep. I can't lie. I don't sleep much, but I sleep more than you.
I'm interested. Do you have like a routine before you jump on the charts, or do you jump straight on the charts after you wake up?
Who?
Because obviously, for a normal morning, I get it. You might not need a routine, but if it's 2 in the morning, are your senses a little out of whack if you jump straight on the chart?
Who you talking to?
I'm gonna have
What's
to
up, bro?
sub to you. It's nice how you intro. Of course. Thank you. It's only getting better from here, so appreciate it.
Yeah, it'd just be nice if we can get a trade in.
Yeah.
That'd be
If
great.
we get one
That
today,
would
it'd be good.
Yeah. It's been a slow week for me, anyways. It's been a slow week for me. Only one trade all so
I
far.
mean, it is just the start of the week. Still
It's
Tuesday.
Wednesday, isn't it?
It's Tuesday.
Oh, it's
bro.
Tuesday. Tuesday, innit, bro? Tuesday, innit?
Tuesday, Wednesday starts to get more entertaining.
It does, yeah. But last week I only had like one or two, so slow,
Mm.
slow.
What trades?
The person that joined the live yesterday is catching these buys for sure. They are living life. Basic buys.
Okay,
GA.
fair enough. So you're doing like a top down whenever you can.
I do high time frame every day, yeah. Same. Although to be fair, not every day. I leave my thing unless it's invalid. I leave my analysis from Sunday, so I do Sunday evening and then do my high time frame analysis then. And most of the day, I just look at the hour time frame looking for a entry. That's a lie. You just
Bro, I've
lied.
got to come to
You
the
lied.
UK.
You're.
That we all really fine as that. It's
That's
funny.
cap.
People say the opposite about here.
Stop the cap.
People say the opposite about the UK, man. They say they want to
Um,
go America.
Stop the cap.
What pairs do you guys trade? We do. Well, I'm doing purely GJ at the moment, GBP JPY. But soon I might add in GU as well.
I trade Bitcoin. I trade gold.
Oh yeah, my
US
Mark's
30.
doing everything, mate. Mark's doing
US
everything.
30. GA. S&P 500, Nasdaq sometimes if I feel like it. I haven't mastered S&P and Nasdaq yet. My bread and butter is mostly gold, pound, Aussie dollar, and Bitcoin. US 30, I've just started learning. I'm trying to do a scalping strategy in New York for US 30 so we can stream both London and New York.
GJXEU. Nice.
Well, not too far off. I just don't trade EU. EU for me is too slow. I honestly feel like EU is so slow. I don't know what it is, but
a lot of
I
people
can't
trade
trade
it because they like how it follows suit.
the trend. Yeah,
But it is a bit
boring.
I haven't really looked at it to be honest for our session. Right now it looks like it hasn't been slow at all. Check this out.
Let me check your
It's been
dollar.
trending just like gold. Which
I mean,
makes
to be fair,
sense.
it does kind of do almost the same as gold most of the time. I feel like every time I look at it, kind of doing the same as gold. As I was saying, it would have been a good sell over here. Just looking at just the hour, really. That's it. VWAP didn't retest the VWAP, unfortunately, so no entry for me, I would say. But it's
I
falling
trade
down now.
SMC. Mark, he does, but he doesn't want to admit it.
I don't trade it.
He does trade SMC. Yeah, I definitely do.
know.
Liquidity, points of interest. But for me, I've mixed it up with a lot of price action. I've made my own sort of version of it. So yeah, I use liquidity, but mainly price action alongside.
I use
Mark's is
I use
blend.
liquidity, but I also use volume. I use volume a lot. So
That's true, I guess. Would you not call volume smart money though?
No.
So you wouldn't even put it in the same thing?
Nah, I wouldn't know. Smart money's too vague if you put volume with it though.
I guess
Would be
your
too
basic ICT doesn't really use volume, does he?
No.
He's assuming volume from the orders and everything.
Yeah, he's assuming volume with and you
There's
can
no
I guess see the
actual
volume from
but there's
candles,
no,
I suppose.
Yeah, but no actual indicator of volume. But you have actual indicators.
Yeah.
Very high risk reward strat. I mean, I guess you do if you have smart money.
Yeah, if you pass FTMO as well and you only risk 0.5, 0.9, then yeah, you have a very high IRR. Because with FTMO, I kind of have to risk at least 2%. Challenge, anyways.
Yeah, maybe for the challenge you risk more.
But not for the main bit. For the main bit, I'm more conservative because that's real money you can gain. FOMC this week. Let's see the numbers. Forex Factory.
I should bring it up. Yeah, Zabra, do you risk the same for the challenge as your main account? Or do you risk a little more when you're doing the challenge?
Oh, there's no numbers FOMC. What am I talking about? So FOMC, I don't know, man. I reckon they're gonna increase interest rates. I forgot what FOMC was about, to be honest. Let's see. They're just talking, aren't they? Monetary policy. Yeah, monetary policy. So yeah, they're probably gonna start looking to interest rates. If they increase interest rates, we can see probably stocks and indices, to start dropping like S&P, which would line up with my analysis right now. So that's quite good. But in regards to the euro dollar, I mean, for the dollar itself, it's probably going to push up again, I'd assume. With more interest rates, I mean, people are likely to hold dollar more rather than the other currencies, especially how strong it is at the moment. So yeah, my assumption they'll increase interest rates, try to combat inflation somehow.
So for challenges, I do anywhere for 0.25%. Depends on how confident I am in the trade. Okay, yeah, you're quite similar to us then.
I'll call it a GU buy, by the way. It looks very beautiful.
Nice. What is that in the Discord?
Yeah.
Send it on the YouTube, bro. Then I set my original risk entries or previous scalings to break even. Okay, that's
I'm starting,
interesting.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna once I take my challenge, I'm gonna do the same thing. And
So my
so even
challenge,
on a
yeah.
general account, the way I've realized recently I need to do it is trades I'm more confident on, risk more. Trades you're less confident on, risk less. You don't need to be so robotic with
So
risk, you
black
know.
and white, yeah. There
You don't
literally
need
there
to,
need to be
yeah.
yeah. There needs to be some sort of
Just give yourself as much,
discretion.
yeah.
Some sort of discretion to some extent, honestly.
Last Friday in gold. Jesus.
Nice, man.
Mashallah.
Nice, man.
22k in 4
Nice.
hours.
It's big money moves, that is.
Selling? Buying? I don't know. I don't know what gold's been doing on the whole. Alright, we're getting a nice reaction here. But like I always say, one candle's not going to be enough. I want to see a little zigzag. And then I'll buy.
You probably sold like all the way from the top. I had 1660 level as an area to start selling off from 1665, 1660 due to the daily level on the left. Unfortunately, I got FOMO'd and entered a bit too early, so I didn't re-enter, unfortunately. I would have been in the same cell as you, but I didn't. Was down 5k on my 400k account and made 13k back to pass it. Nice, jeez, that's a big recovery. That is. Normally, when I'm down 5k, I normally just go like, screw this, bro. All
Yeah.
in one, all lots. Let's go, full 5k risk. We make or break this.
So was that like one trade? You just held it for ages. That's crazy.
Fair enough, man. That's sick.
It's so interesting with FTMOs, and it's how you could get two people. One could pass, one could lose, but they could the one who lost could have had like just as perfect trades that ran on for that many risk reward or whatever, but they managed their trades differently. So one ended up winning, one ended up losing. I don't like buys at all to 169, but higher time frame still has no confirmation to shorts. So I see why you guys are looking for buys. Well, I'm looking for a quick position, by the way. My trades are normally done. At least
5-10.
I've taken the bulk of my profit usually within an hour.
Yeah.
So like, let's say I target this now. Let's just assume I end up buying here. Once I get my confirmation, of course. My stop loss will be around here. My first target will be this high here. So the 1, 2, 3, 1 to 2. Then from there I'll leave runners. Oh wow, I have a lower time for entry with swing TP. Yeah. That's what I'm slowly getting towards.
Yeah.
Right now I've got a mid time frame entry, mid TP, but I'm slowly like going like this. You know what I mean? And then runners will be up to probably here, 1 to 5, something like that. Have I passed the challenge? I have in the past. Then I went through a little roller coaster.
We all go through them, yeah.
Yeah. So, but now I'm looking to take one, most likely December or January. But Mark, yeah, he's been with FTMO a long time.
Yeah,
If you got any questions for him.
I'm looking to pass the last bit of the challenge, hopefully this month. I'm not sure. I'm just looking at how the price action is like for the first week, and then hopefully it carries on. If it's a good week, then hopefully it carries on to the next week. They'll probably get the challenge then. If not,
right,
I'm
okay.
willing to wait.
So you're gonna see how this week goes.
Yeah, I'm willing to wait. As you know, I've already got 200k in funding. I don't need much more. Like at the end of the day, I'm still quite young. I don't need that much money. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Like,
I get it. It's more so for the challenge itself, the idea of the challenge, isn't it?
it's a good flex, that's for sure.
You want to get max
that now.
money. How old are you guys?
I'm 21.
Yeah, we're both 21.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah, we get a lot of younger people.
Uni student. Oh, unfortunately, I didn't go to
too.
uni.
I'm a uni student.
Unfortunately, I didn't go to uni, man. Well, not unfortunately. I'm kind of glad I didn't go to uni. I can kind of focus on this.
I sort of told myself I'm going to go to uni. No matter how much money I make, I'm going to have to finish these 3 years.
Yeah.
And I'm first year, brother. What are you studying?
I'm gonna guess. Alright, gonna guess.
What are you gonna guess, bro?
Business.
Let's see. That's interesting you said uni. I thought people in America say college.
I think he's trying to
Is he trying to be bruv? He trying to be man then?
I think yeah, I think he's trying to think.
Mashallah, bro. Just try your best. I'm in the same boat. I'm about to
I'm about to
graduate. Yeah, I thought so. If you're 21, I guess. Yeah.
Hey, TP here. Congrats, Bilal. Love to see it, man. If you're still watching, this is big.
Bilal,
Big moves.
type on the chat, man. I mean, it's good you're keeping the Discord active,
Yeah, he just
but
knows the UK slang.
yeah,
Slag.
you definitely know
Slag
UK
is
slag, bro.
that's the woman you call beautiful here in the UK.
Jesus,
That's the term for the words we use. Anyways,
that's it.
jeez. Lee knows all about them.
Yeah, mate. News been about. News been about.
Knew what's been about. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin sales right now. Oh wow, Bitcoin has dropped from where it was earlier. We're getting back the positions, the percentage we has lost earlier. We're up
Happy, man.
0.5%
Of course, Neil. Of course. It's all confidential here. Yeah. What happens on Enigma stays on
Stays
Enigma.
Enigma.
I was originally going to apply to medical school, just life issues and finances looking bad. But I
Else
was
biology.
studying. Oh, you mean you currently are studying biology?
Yeah, he's studying biology.
I think.
You didn't want to go med school, but life's just issues and finances.
Okay.
Looking bad. Oh, because isn't it expensive to go like med school or something?
Well,
Because here in the
America
UK,
definitely must be.
in the UK, it's literally just like, well, it's not free, but it's accessible to most.
Yeah. Is it not like the same as normal uni?
You must be really smart, man. If you're thinking med school, very
Yeah.
smart.
Whenever I hear someone studying something scientific, I sort of
Very
compliment. I'm
smart.
like, you must be smart. You gotta be
Yeah.
smart, bro.
We're talking about the past, though. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
basically
dude,
half
it's
a million.
basically.
Oh my goodness! But you're making that in a week, anyways. Nowadays, bro. You didn't have to worry about that.
No
You had
wonder.
that in a week.
No wonder he started trading, bro. He got to second year. He's like, you know what?
I need
I
some
need
money
to
now.
pay off this shit. What can I do?
You say you go in Chicago, don't you? Doesn't they have high taxes as well? Because I feel sorry for you
I
if they
mean,
do. You best
yeah.
move,
I mean, in
man.
general, we're all gonna agree it's not worth it, right? But
Yeah, we're gonna. I'm moving overseas, brother.
the thing is, yeah. Unless you're dead set, like you actually have a genuine passion for wanting to become a doctor or
Chicago
something, then it'd be
has the
fine.
highest tax rates in the country.
Make less than a janitor. Nah, don't say that. What do you mean? Oh, is that because once you finish, you have to become a nurse or something
Like 100.
before you? Oh, blah
Hey, he's
blah.
back. Congrats on your win, man.
Yeah.
Congrats on the W, bro.
Did you
W's
say
in
it
the
was
chat for Bilal.
Did you say it was a GU trade?
It was a GU trade, yeah. He excels.
Interesting.
Damn.
Yeah, it's called residency. So
Let's
as in
go.
like, okay, you're training.
Okay.
Oh, even Enigma sent a W. Jesus.
Damn. Missed out a scaling opportunity here for Bitcoin.
Was it this
Be
here,
well
blah?
tested.
Got this. Price action was nice. I'm guessing he got in right at the top, but
3K like it's nothing, huh? Is that how traders are nowadays, yeah? Traders are like this nowadays. They're built different, bro.
yeah.
3K like nothing. Like it's nothing.
Go to
Yeah,
1
to
minute.
1 minute, bro. You're too high time frame, bro.
Yeah, I thought so. Could have nice
I
holding.
mean, we got
potential.
Zabra over here making 22K in 4 hours like it's nothing. Making more than his salary if he
Yeah.
went to med school.
We're getting a little mastermind forming here, you know. 1 minute. Wait, let me guess, blah. Wait. I'm guessing he woke up after 7.
You can see it on Discord, man. If you
It's-
just look
is
Discord,
it-
you'll see it straight away.
Yeah, but that's cheating. It's somewhere in this zone here. No, even this zone here, surely. You see the blah, there's 100 fair value gaps.
I'm looking to yeah, bro, I'm looking to yeah. So my plan is okay. Once I'm done with the all FTMO thing, I'm just going to risk 3%, 4% per trade once I feel confident, and then yeah,
Alright,
I'll do that,
find the one.
and then I'll try to get as high as I can to get
The
interviewed by
easiest
FTMOs.
one I can see is here, blah.
That's the plan.
The
That's the plan.
simplest one. Yeah, I want to get interviewed by him too, man. We want to take over the trading thingy. Adeel and Mark. Who's Sean and Ammon, bro? Who's Sean?
bro.
Nah, Sean's a
We got a
legend.
list of people we want to take over. We got
You see this hit list here? Yeah,
it's a hit
it's
list.
tattooed on the hand. Um,
I'm gonna
this
tattoo it.
gap here, blah, took liquidity top and
Don't
bottom.
worry, man. We all
Oh,
blew accounts, right? It's all part of the game. At the end of the day, like the amount you blow, like in like account wise, it's nothing compared to what you're earning in the future, which is
bish
crazy.
bash. Maybe
Yeah,
here then.
100%, man. 100%. You're gonna be
That's it,
killing it in
bro.
the US. You know what? Just leave UK to us. All right, just give us a bit of, just give
Yeah,
us part of the UK, and you can have some of the US, and we're
yeah.
good.
We'll give
First
you.
one to
We'll give
Dubai
you
wins, though, right?
Chicago, maybe. Chicago, you can keep.
First one to Dubai wins, right? That's the
Yeah.
plan. First one to get a trading floor in Dubai wins. That's gonna be the
You're
plan.
saying took liquidity. I see this took liquidity from the bottom.
What's your
Then it
future?
grabbed the top. Then it pushed down.
Has
So
to move to Miami. Miami's got
I'm assuming it's this one.
yeah, so many traders in Miami. You got like Raul. I can't think of anyone
Yeah,
else
I've seen
actually.
a couple there. What's his name? FX Alex G. You know the one who interviewed Roger Banks?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's
I
from
think.
Miami as well. I
Yeah, I
remember.
think they're
Yeah,
from Miami. Even Daniel Savage, wasn't he from
yeah, but I don't know about Daniel though.
Raul Alex? Yeah.
I don't know about
Yeah.
the goat himself, Daniel Savage, or the close up
The
goat.
one and only.
um,
But
yeah.
what's his name? Raul seems legit. He seems like a cool guy.
I'm trying to move to a lower tax
That's it. Yeah.
country.
I want to meet them too
Unfortunately, I am
eventually.
tied down. My girlfriend do not want to move countries, so unfortunately, I just have to set up a business elsewhere and do that rather than move countries.
Bilal, was it this one? Surely it's this one. Liquidity.
Yeah, you
Liquidity.
can. You're all like, he's quite. Yeah, you can tell he's legit. He did his live streams. He did his what? He did his Signal group, didn't he?
Hella drama. There's always drama.
Oh, I don't know what that was about, man. I was just following them at the time, and then yeah, there was so much drama with them. I don't know what it was.
That's a nice one to be fair.
Oh, Daniel has a prop firm. Oh yeah, he doesn't he? He does. I bet he can't promote it as much because well, he doesn't have social media anymore. Yeah. Most prop firms are. That's why you got to go for reputable ones. I'm going for the one with Raja Banks because one, he's quite big. So if they screw you over, you can just go through Raja Banks and say, oh look, the people you have invested in screw people over. What you doing? And then yeah.
Why is
I'm
Raul shady? The only trader I really look up to is Roger Banks. Yeah,
Yeah.
did you used to watch his live streams too, Zabra? It looks like you got loads of people on here. He used to watch the
You do
streams.
smart money, surely, right? You do smart money concept, don't you? Shouldn't you be looking up to ICT or?
Yeah, bro. His live streams were more popular than I remember. You know? When I used to watch him,
Raja.
I think there was like 2,000 people, which is a
Yeah.
lot. But I guess
Yeah,
he
ICT is up
started
there
beef with all these different people, and he grew his
Yeah.
name that way.
He's a
too.
marketing genius. I'll give him that. Raja's
He's smart,
insane
bro.
at marketing.
He's
He
smart.
knows how to market his products. He knows how to market his stuff out there. He knows how to get people talking. That's for sure. It's great.
Strategic, bro. First he went to the
It is.
UK.
It is.
Like Sean Lee, forget you, bro.
Oh,
Then
yeah,
he
yeah,
went
yeah.
Miami. He was like, Daniel.
I still believe that Sean Lee is actually legitly a
No,
good
he
trader.
is. He is a good
I
trader.
would say he's actually a good trader. Like, one, because he did the 5K into 100 and something million. No, something 100,000, right? On Uncle Ted's broker. If he was faking that, Uncle Ted would straight up expose him. That's what I'm saying.
Taught myself my own style of SMC trading that I don't think other people
SRC,
like.
Smart Roger concept came
Yeah.
up on the YouTube feed. Yeah, see, this is what I mean. He's
Yeah.
everywhere. He's everywhere. If you have trading, you'll see him. I taught myself my own style of SMC trading. I don't think other people have. I kind of do the same thing. I wouldn't. That's why I don't like saying I trade smart money concept.
Yeah.
I use liquidity concept, but I learned that before even before ICT, or I knew ICT. So
Yeah.
I wouldn't say I'm a smart money concept trader.
Nah, same here. Like normal smart money, you would assume I'm gonna be on the 2 minute, 3 minute.
Yeah,
But
true.
I'm using 15 minute now, price action with liquidity and everything. Took a fat min though. Do you mean like to find a strategy, back test, or
Oh, to learn SMC, I think.
I'm
It's
guessing that's what you
interesting
mean.
to get
Yeah.
our own trading styles. This is why I love trading, man. Everyone
Yeah.
can interpret it themselves, like how they want to interpret the market. I like to make up stories how the market works. It might not be real, but it works for me. You know what I mean? That's how I see it.
Mm. True. Everyone on the chat has a different way of doing it.
Everyone literally in this chat has a different way to trade. No one has the same trading strategy at all. I mean, when I start trading US 30, we're gonna have a relatively similar trading strategy. It's still different, but
Yeah.
relatively similar.
Even then, you're going to be using this profile thing, aren't you?
SRC seen in one of the groups. I thought it was a joke. Yeah, no, it's real. It's real.
It's real blur.
It's real, man.
Obviously, when he did it, he knew it was going to be seen like that, I'm sure.
That's why I mean, like,
I'm sure he's not stupid. He knows it's a sort
yeah,
of a
he
meme
knows.
at the
Yeah.
same time. Took a long time back
Uh,
testing. Yeah, fair enough.
oh, see, I feel like that's one of yeah, that's what happens if you create your own strategy, isn't it? You're gonna be back testing, forward testing practically every day, every hour of your free time, rather than getting a working strategy like ICTs and just okay, I'll take that.
Mm.
But yeah, experience. I haven't watched the vids.
I mean, neither. But I don't know if it's just going to be his normal price action. He's just made it into a.
Apparently, this is what he said.
Has he
Okay, he said he
changed
just
it?
simplified. He just simplified what market fluidity already has for everyone to be able to understand it. But I thought market fluidity concept or whatever is quite simple anyways, though. So I don't know how you can simplify that even further. Bit sus. I might get it just to see it and react to it. Although I don't know if I want to steal clout from Raja. Don't know. A bit of a scary one going up against the market fluidity army.
The goat.
That's what that market fluidity concepts. Don't know though. The stream lagged, I think, or am I lagging?
Accidentally clicked off.
Oh, mad.
Hopefully the whole thing didn't stop. Jesus, CPU 60%.
Damn.
Okay, now it's gone
Right.
down. 20%.
Breathing. Breathe, computer, breathe.
No.
See, this Bilal's sharing stuff on Discord. This is what we want. This is what we need. This is great.
Yeah.
I hope other people get follows suit soon.
Once I get the confirm new, I will be. But not yet. One candle ain't enough, I'll say it again.
Let's see where
Inshallah, I'll have my Lambo in a year. Oh, interesting. For me, maybe 2-3 years out, bro. Don't worry. In a year, yeah? Do you want us to hold you to that?
in a year.
Shall we write it down? Don't get me wrong. I'm the type of I would believe you. I probably do believe you. But I would need to get to know you more. From the sounds of it, it's possible.
He's got it. Lambo, oh, he should have got it during uni, man. You can pay for the monthly ones, man. You can pay for the monthly like lease. You got it.
Oh, financing.
It goes in the description below.
Yeah, it's in the description.
Yeah, you can finance it. Lambo easy. I'm telling you.
I still don't know how I feel about financing, you know.
Financing is a better way of doing it because you can invest your money elsewhere. Instead of having it in a Lambo, you can use it to trade.
The reason I wouldn't do it is because, like, if you got to finance it, just don't get the car then. Why are you in a rush? That's my idea.
No, you can afford it. Like you can afford it, but it's just like you want to put your money elsewhere because your money could still grow elsewhere, like in stocks or trade.
But that's what I'm saying. Like if you're saying you could put it somewhere else, then the fact that you even need to worry about that just shows you don't have enough money. I'm saying if you're gonna get a Lambo, have at least 10 times the amount you need.
Yeah, I guess. But
so it's not even a speck on the. It's not even a flick of the shoulder.
All right. So it's so minuscule that no matter how much if you spend it, it won't even matter. Because you make it back the next day anyways.
But there's another point of view that says, just spend it. You're gonna make it back.
True.
You don't need 10 times the amount. You need let's say 2-3 times the amount.
Yeah.
I don't know. But maybe I'll change my mind once I get the money. Maybe I'll change my mind. We'll see what I say.
23K. I agree with financing. I think financing is the best thing to do because you can still store your money elsewhere rather than having it stuck in a depreciating asset. That's it. Big words from me. I can't lie. Big words from me. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave my view on that there.
Well, what did you say?
I said it's depreciating asset. Big words. Can't be saying that too many times. My mind will explode.
It's only 3K. You can sell higher. What do you mean you can sell higher? As in after you got it?
It's only 3K. What, Lambo? Oh, let me get one now. Hey, yo. Give me a
Get it?
second. I'll be right back.
Hold up, bro.
To be fair, once you get a Lambo, there's so many doors open, so many opportunities open for you in terms of marketing, I would say. You get a
Even
Lambo.
networking, because I heard once you
Yeah,
buy
networking
these
is
sorts of supercars, you get access to certain
yeah,
rooms. Like even just, do they have
mostly
meetups?
Bugattis, so
Yeah,
it's
they have
mostly a
meetups
Bugatti
for
in there.
people who have Lambos, Bugattis.
It's like car meets. You
Yeah,
can meet other people
where
that has.
only people who have that car can meet up.
True,
And imagine how many people you meet that way.
true. That is one of the big positives. Personally, I mean, my dream car would probably be a McLaren 720S. So
The
I'd probably get one of
Lambo.
them.
No, but I mean, blah. What do you mean you can sell higher? Like, surely the price is gonna go down. Am I being silly now?
First
First,
car, first car is an RS.
yours is a nice. I like them.
Bro,
Big boy.
getting an RS for a first car,
That's cap. I can't lie. You ain't getting
insurance must be
for a
insane,
first
mate.
car. Surely not.
Insurance must be insane. Like right now, I'm sure you guys know what i30N is, right? An i30, like it's basically a sports hatchback.
Yeah.
A Hyundai i30N, probably for the UK mostly, but I don't know if the US knows it. But that for me is like I think like 3K in insurance or something stupid like that. So imagine an Urus. Jeez.
Mm.
Urus is a good car though, supercar and still like comfortable. SVJ Aventador. Audi TT is also a nice car. Yeah, insurance is high for me. You get insured. You insure the car, don't you? You don't insure yourself. I think that's how it works in the UK, in the US. But here we insure individual people in the car. Don't know how much more. I don't know which one makes more sense.
Oh, nice.
SVJ Urus. I want to have a supercar collection for sure. That'd be
It's
one
a
of
nice
my.
car for like 21 years old, isn't it?
It's a very nice car. An Audi TT. BTC is dropping, boys, a little bit. If you look at the 1 minute time frame, it's dropping a lot.
You insure yourself here in America.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay, okay. I got it wrong. My bad, my bad. Seen a lot of flying around. i30N is a very nice car, man. The color, the blue color. Oh, yeah.
Jeez. Want to get a sneak peek of your future, yeah? Is that what you're doing, Zabra?
Yeah, he's looking. He was looking for houses there. He wasn't. He wasn't like
He's
celebrating a birthday.
he's on
He
the
was,
manifesting vibe. He's like, I'm gonna picture
yeah.
this. I need to remember this.
No, Miami is like honestly, it's like it's almost like Dubai with the amount of supercars they have over there for some reason. Everyone's got a
Yeah.
supercar in Miami, man. What's going on over there? Is it because there's no tax like for cars and what's going on in Miami?
Who knows? Weather.
It's yeah, everyone's got insane cars there, man. Everyone's got a Rolls Royce, so like
You know what's good about the one good thing about it? It's like that would
Yeah,
be
exactly.
the biggest motivation to like just get rich. Because
alright, let's go to Miami then. Let's go.
imagine you're there and like
Let's go.
imagine you got a decent Beamer, yeah, or you're a Merc, and you go there and you're like, oh shit, I'm a nobody here. Like in the UK, in most places, you could get a nice Beamer and you got a better car than most people.
Oh yeah, here in the UK, yeah.
But go to that part of Miami that you're on about.
You got a Beamer, you're poor. You're broke.
Yeah. Or same with London. Same with London.
Unless you got
here,
an
really.
M4 competition like or something, and you're still
Yeah.
broke compared
Yeah.
to the cars they have. Yeah, Eurodollar dropped kind of exactly where I wanted it to if I was trading Eurodollar, but yeah, it is what it is. Hindsight, hindsight. US thought you could continue climbing over here. Just retested the VWAP. Let's look at the session volume profile. Session volume profile at POC exactly as well. This is a good buy signal. It's a really good buy signal for USA. It's crazy. Yeah, Miami's a crazy place for supercars and stuff. I bet Dubai's basically the same though. Everyone's got a thing there. Everyone's got a supercar. At least everyone's got a Lambo. The police got Lambos there for some reason. What's going on with that? If you ever want to ride a Lambo, just go to Go to Dubai, get arrested. They'll escort you in a Lambo. Make a TikTok of it. Done.
They don't all have Lambo police cars.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright, boys, have a good day, man. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah. You have a
Alright.
great night.
Sound, brother.
Enjoy
See
your
you
3 hour sleep,
tomorrow.
brother. Enjoy your 3 hour
Yeah,
sleep.
3 hours sleep.
I'll see you on Discord if you join. I'll see you in Discord.
Sound. Appreciate you joining.
Yes, we can prove to Nu that we're kind of growing. We have one person. Let's go.
Yeah,
You guys good? Yeah,
every
every day.
weekday, same time, 6:45 our time. It's like an hour before now we start that time every day.
Yeah. Okay, gold has taken buy side liquidity up here perfectly. Could be starting to drop all the way down to 16.15 over here. We'll see, we'll see. I kind of wanted to drive up to 16.65 before entering shorts, but if that's a clean clean signal to sell. That is. We've taken sell side from New York lows yesterday. Did we take Asia? No, we didn't. We might be on our way to take Asia now. For gold. Bitcoin POC has just been retested for the session. Lovely. I need to take some of the things I'm looking at out. I'm gonna clean up my charts. Sound, see a bit. Even no sound. Oh, this guy, he's definitely from the UK, 100%.
Oh, what did you say?
Sound good. Sound. Oh, sounds good. Never mind. I thought I said, sound guys, take care. I was like, yo, this guy's from the UK.
My G.
My guy. My kind of guy.
I guess to be fair, from Chicago, I'm pretty sure they've got a lot of similar slang, you know.
Maybe.
Because apparently, you know, even the whole drill music, I'm pretty sure it either started in Chicago or it's a big place there.
I don't even know where UK gets their slang from, man. We got some weird ass like words that we just came up with randomly.
A lot of Jamaican stuff mixed in, isn't it?
I guess, yeah. I guess. Looking like a slow day today still. I have a trade on already, but swaps is killing me. Let's see how much swap is. Where's my phone? There it is. Swap is currently at minus $11 for swap. Like, come on, man.
What, for a day?
Nah, it's been 2 days, I think. Yeah, I opened it Sunday. Open me position Sunday evening. Okay. Ethereum, if it doesn't drop now, I'd probably wait for it to go up to 1645, around that level, take out these highs before dropping back down to 1500, if not even lower, back down to potentially 1420 here. It's my analysis on Ethereum. Okay.
Yeah, by the way, guys, in GJ, I'm waiting for another bearish confirm.
Let me
Then
plug
for it to
that.
give me a nice bullish candle. If it does it now, it does it. It'll be annoying. Then I'll miss the buy and the sell. Sorry, the sell and the buy. But you know, I can't be buying willy-nilly off one bullish candle, guys. Come on. As much as I like to have like 2 trades every stream, sometimes you don't.
Which chat did you even plug it at?
It was the GJ one.
Oh, no.
I longed it. Nah, when did you buy it? Rolling to BE. Where did you get in here? 7:30 a.m. retest. Right, okay. What, this here? That's interesting.
Good buys, man. That took some balls, that did.
Ain't it?
Fair enough.
Oh.
That took some proper balls. First trade in as well. First trade back from your little hiatus. Crazy, brother. Knew you've built different for sure. London Open. I'm expecting euro dollar to absolutely tank here. Back down to
740.
0.986. US 30
Oh,
just
okay.
continue rising. Here's another one. Gold to tank as well for the London Open.
I got you. So you're betting on the fact that we're going to leave this liquidity here. Probably stop losses below here. Jesus, nice. Mm-hmm. Is she? Hello, Miza. You teaching already, Bilal? What's going on?
Teaching trade secrets.
Yeah. Forget school. She's watching the Enigma stream now. 400k funded trade in the making.
400k, mate. 7 figures soon in a year for sure. She's gonna be the best of all of us.
Innit?
I'm gonna guess it's your daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Got it right. See, I can read social cues.
Plant the seed in her mind now, Bilal. He's just getting her ready.
She's gonna be the one to bankrupt Raja Banks from all
That's
this
it.
funding. That's what's gonna happen. She's gonna pop off a trade, 500k in one trade. That's what's gonna happen.
Trust.
GJ, good buys there. Already at break even. I mean, well, you may have a little bit of resistance, around 170,500, around or just below that. But other than that, I feel like you could be a bit clean here. I don't know what you're targeting, but let's see. Taking partials, nice. That's what we like to hear.
Nice.
That is what we like to hear. Who else is in the chat? Who else is watching? I can see people watching. Thanks for the like. But also,
Talk.
you guys talk. Thanks for the like and that.
Yeah, those are ballsy buys.
I'd also
man.
like to take the time to thank our sponsor, our Discord server. Thank you, Discord server, for letting this live stream happen. And you guys mind joining it? Thank you. Was that a good segue?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's free as well. Let's
Yeah.
mention that. I was
Oh,
coming
yeah,
around
true.
550, just taking some off before the 30 minute. Interesting. We got London Open coming up, so
You might get a new 4-hour opening, right?
will we just
we
get
might
a push
could
up?
at least we might at least get a wick up to 550 during the 4-hour open, and potentially slam back down. If GJ and gold's correlation's still good, if my theory is correct, GJ should drop. Let's see, how's their correlation? Ass. They're not correlated at all. Okay, cool. No need.
What, gold and GU?
Yeah, they're not correlated. Not really. Yeah. One's going up, the other one's going down. I mean, now they're going up both, but overall correlation's not there recently. You can see they crossed over a little bit there. But yeah.
Yeah, GJGU correlation has not been there recently.
No, not recently, no. But yeah, I was saying the the just before 500, I think would be one of the major resistance. But that's just looking at the volume profile. Can't lie, Bitcoin volume profile looks kind of clapped. What is that? I mean, we broke past major volume over here. Our next big major volume to look for is 20,556. If we break that, break these lows, still clean to the downside, still could get back down to 1 hour floor.
Yeah, 1 hour looks nice for a fake out play, doesn't it? Closing back in this range here.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Look at that. If the hour closes back down below, that's basically a break in and break in retest.
Yeah.
All these retail traders gonna be eating, you know. I mean, us.
What are your
Us retail
thoughts on
traders.
gold? Let's see. Personally, I just didn't really want to look at gold. It didn't look. We had the bullish momentum, tricky to trade upwards, but Mark trades gold, so I'm sure he can tell you.
I'll give it a good go. Here you go. I'll share my screen. Gold is doing all right, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so my first pre-market analysis for gold was I was expecting a bit of a retracement back up to these daily levels over here. But it looks like gold is really struggling to get up there. It could still happen, don't get me wrong. 1665 will be a major resistance for gold for price to continue down. And just bear in mind why I'm thinking gold is potentially going down. Just fundamentally, the dollar is very strong right now, especially with interest rates potentially going up. Um, the dollar strength is definitely there. So expect gold to go the opposite way, obviously. And as for this right now, so we know that we've just taken for buy side liquidity up here at 1645, 1645 around that level. We've taken buy side liquidity. So now there's a lot of buyers already in this market. Okay, they've entered. So what I'm expecting because of my bias is bearish. I do expect more bears to step in this level. If we finish back down below, that's a good selling signal for us to continue back down below. Again, my only concern is the fact that we're quite high up in this volume profile over here and this VWAP. That's my only concern. However, overall, we're still looking to take out these Asia lows and potentially back down to the 1610, 1620 level, where the daily level and the weekly level are like where the liquidity is basically. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Bit confusing, but basically to make it simple, I'm looking for shorts for gold and looking for short opportunities. I explained it better yesterday, but I just can't explain things today. I haven't had me coffee. If gold breaks those lows, we need a major news driver. FOMC should be starting to become to effect, hopefully. No worries, no worries.
What are you thinking on gold?
Yeah, that's the most important thing. We want to see. Give us your chart. Send us your chart, man. We're trying to copy signals here. I need to stop doing that, man. Where do you think it'll reverse? Where do I think price could start pushing back up again? Honestly, I do think like gold's gonna plummet for a bit. So I reckon 1560 is my major first reversal zone. 1560 around that level before it starts pushing back up. 1620. Yeah, hold on. Let's see. Then I have a
No, man. How did I miss these buys?
You just doesn't miss anything, man. You never miss.
Brother. I don't know how you caught that, honestly. I rate you catching that because there was no confirmation at all. I get we took liquidity.
Oh, okay.
But we had such bearish momentum that one candle didn't want to.
So
Wasn't enough for me.
Did you enter around 5 o'clock? Wait, hold on. What time zone are you at? Are you?
No, I'm just saying.
No. Sorry, I'm talking this. Oh, you don't new still? Okay,
Yeah.
sorry. Yeah. So I would say it would probably reverse. Probably now, I would say. If it was to reverse at any time, it'd best reverse now. Especially that we've just trapped loads of sellers and we finished back down to the back down to this level. We'll wait for this hour to kind of create a top wick because it's a new 4 hour candle. It's a new hour candle. Most candles do have top wicks and lower wicks, so we want it to create a top wick. Gives us a good sign that normal price action follows suit. So yeah, I would say I'd probably sell around this level. Once it breaks the lows, and then looking to move break even as soon as it reaches my POC, which is around 1642. It's not a lot actually. Huh. No,
You
current POC. Sorry, my bad. Current POC is 1637. It's a lot
Right,
of
yeah, it
numbers.
might be now.
Four
Yeah, you're
hour at
right.
9
It
a.m.
is.
Yeah,
It is.
yeah. So we're gonna wait for a new 4 hour candle because in the new 4 hour, if we enter shorts now, new 4 hour would most likely make a new top wick, and we want that top wick to be formed first before we make any decisions. Well, that's what I think anyway. That's what I do. Crypto is climbing a little bit here. Could be retesting POC back again.
Nice. Yeah, that would have been my first TP too. As soon as you get into the order block.
Where's that GJ
And then
at?
runners, are you... I don't know. I think you said you're bearish overall, didn't you? So you're just closing the full trade. I guess my runners will be this high here. Just expecting the next high to be hit.
It broke through value area, that's for sure. POC is 170, 611. That's where POC is, so being magnetized to there now. But to be honest, there's not much really you can do because yeah, you've closed 90%, you're break even, like you're good. This trade's a done deal for you.
That was a nice trade.
Nice trade indeed. This is what you were looking for earlier as well, I swear.
It's very annoying because I've literally called everything that's going to happen, but I didn't manage to get an entry.
It's alright.
Nah, that's...
Nu knows your strategy better than you, that's crazy, isn't it?
Nah, his
Go
is
on, Nu.
different. His is different.
I don't know what the strategies Nu is, but you got the same buy, that's what I was saying.
The potential sells I could have had today were on this secondary break here. We got the sort of double top, had the reaction. That's what I was thinking of entering, but I didn't end up doing it. That was the sells that could have happened. And then the buys... Now, yeah, they're very different now, to be fair. It's smart money, obviously, but I think we're using different time frames to enter. And then the buys were literally the only confirmation was we took liquidity, had a bullish candle.
G,
So
I
on
bet
my
G also
time
gave a
frame,
good
there's
buy.
nothing to do.
I bet G you gave a good buy. Who knew London Open would do this?
GU gave a good... Yeah, wasn't it in bullish structure overall anyway? Yeah. So buys
GU
would have
bullish
been good.
structure. Jesus Christ, when did that happen?
I mean on the 50-minute.
Oh.
Yeah, we
Oh,
had
I mean,
this
to be fair, the
zone
4 hour
here.
is still bullish structure right now. Again, damn. GU recovered quite well, you know. I wanted to kind of drop again, though, for FTM purposes only.
Just for FTR. 15. Yeah, left more liquidity on the bottom. It's fine, guys. I just sit on my hands today. I'll try not to cry.
I'm gonna start looking like the old sales here. Soon, anyways. Give me a few. It's not a full trading, is it? Full trading for you is Thursday or Wednesday?
No, today I'm on till 9.
Oh, is it? Oh,
But
okay.
I don't know. We'll see what price does in the next half an hour. And if there's no
Nah,
confirmation
you gotta stay
anyway,
anyways.
then I'll be
You
gone.
gotta stay anyways.
No, not if I'm not going to have a trade. There's no point.
Nah, you gotta. Shows full-time commitment to the trading cause.
Yeah, and if I was full time, I would jump off the chart if I
Oh,
knew I was
mad.
going to have no trades.
Mad.
There you go.
Mad.
No, I mean, if I know I'm not going to have any trades in the next half an hour, why would I stay on? My
Price
time
action.
is worth too much to stay on.
Right. Nah, to be fair, you got homework and that to do.
Man's
To be
got
fair.
stuff to do.
Yeah, you got dissertation to probably worry about for the 3 years,
Nah,
brother.
you don't get no homework within first year. It's nothing
Oh,
really.
yeah. Yeah. You got gym.
It's
You got gym
generally
probably.
very easy in first year. There's just loads of reading you have to do to keep up with it all.
Reading's boring, mate.
Exactly.
Although I want to get started reading though. Fun fact, I've never actually read a book from start to finish since I was born. So yeah,
Well, that's a
crazy
lie.
fact. No, I actually haven't.
High
Actually,
school. You know,
what? No, what book did I read exactly for me?
you study
Myself,
books in high school, didn't you?
myself.
I have
It's
no
not
idea.
fair. I mean, everyone else read the thingy. I didn't read the book.
True.
I read bits of it, but I didn't read it.
Is
I
that
learned
is
most of
that a
my quotes from
flex?
movies.
Never read a
No,
book.
it's a stupid thing. I'm trying to read more books. I need to pick up some books. Although, what's
I've
in
got
like
loads that I don't use if you want it. I
what's in
mean,
books that you can't
depends.
get from YouTube though? That's my question. So, most
The
books are
thing
now
is,
here.
like, you
Like
can read the same info in a book and then watch the same info on YouTube. You'll just remember it more from a book. I don't know what it is.
really,
I
you
think it's
think?
because, no, that's speaking from experience. I think
Yeah, yeah.
because you get the information slower.
Right. It gives you time to
It's something, yeah, it gives your brain a lot more to process. And in YouTube videos, they never fully explain anything, but in books, they
yeah.
sort of have to. So like you get to know it a lot more.
I'm more of a
Also,
visual
remember,
learner.
every time you go back to the book, your brain is remembering the old things that you read in the same book.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know about that. I can't read. I can't think of any Romeo and Juliet quotes or like Charles Dickens'
Yeah, but you
Christmas
don't do
Carol.
that to learn. That's more of entertainment, isn't it?
What Charles Dickens? Nah.
I'm
Romeo
saying
and
you
Juliet
don't
was
read
high
them
school.
to like learn or anything, do you?
That was high school, bro.
No, but I'm saying you don't read them to learn.
Right. No, they're not learning books. No, they're
Mm,
entertainment books. I got you.
that's
I
a.
got what you mean eventually. I was like, wait. They were for school.
I know you're in school, but yeah, you don't.
I definitely did not read them for entertainment purposes, that's for sure.
Yeah, exactly. How's the boxing? It's all right, man. It should be going this Wednesday.
He's beating up all the bloody people that started
Nah, they're gonna
beating them
catch
all
up
up,
though,
mate.
because I can only
Nah,
go twice a week. Nah, I don't
beat
think
him
they
up,
catch
man.
up that quickly. But we'll see. See, man, I just want to spar someone.
He's
I
he's
tried to spar Mark this weekend, but he wasn't free.
about to say, oh, he's ducking me. I was like, I was not
He
ducking,
was
brother.
ducking me,
I
really.
was
He
not
was.
ducking. I was
He
not
calls
ducking.
me when I'm back in Loughborough. He goes, "Yo, bro, where you at?" When
Bro,
I'm
I was
back
taking
in.
care of my brother, like, what can I do?
Nah, I'm joking.
And then
But
by the time you like, I called you up saying, "Oh, do you want to meet up?" Because my brother was in hospital, and you
and
were
I
like,
wasn't even in Worcester.
"Yeah, you're in Loughborough,
but
brother." Saying I duck you, bro.
But
Relax.
yeah, no, I want to spar someone in the actual club thing, but because we're in the lower group, because obviously most of us have hardly done any boxing, we haven't done any sparring yet.
Allow it. All right. If you're doing sparring, I'm allowed to do takedowns and chokeholds and that. And
Nah,
you do boxing,
bro. Of
yeah.
course you can't. What you mean,
Like, what the
bro?
heck? Why? I do MMA,
I
not
ain't done no
boxing.
MMA.
Yeah, I haven't done boxing
I bet
really. I
in like
mean,
1 or 2 months of MMA, you're so much better than the average person. Just like
yeah. I mean, in takedowns. I mean, yeah. You could. I
it's just like
guess
boxing, isn't it? In 2, 3 months, you learn so much.
it's a quick growth at the
The
start and then
learning curve,
slow
yeah.
growth. Yeah, slow growth
Especially
after
when you
that.
start sparring like better people straight away. The
Yeah.
sparring's the main thing I would say for learning.
MMA is a bit of a techie one though. If you don't tap out, you might actually die. But what is it called? What's the saying? I black out before I tap out.
Is that what they say?
Yeah, I was like, not me though, not me.
Not me,
I
brother.
have blacked out once though, once. But it was my brother.
Nah,
We're
really?
trying to see if we can just like straight up just Apparently, I had a bit of a seizure after that. Apparently,
Jesus.
it was actually on Christmas.
On Christmas
We were
Day.
playing around, and then yeah, we were just like, "Oh, back put you in a chokehold." And he put me in a chokehold, and I was like, "I'm not tapping out, I'm not tapping out." And apparently, it just collapsed. I was like, "What?"
Jesus.
I didn't realize. Fun facts. But don't worry, I broke his rib after.
Hmm.
It was fair game.
He was sleeping. You just went up to him like, bro, what?
No, I messed up my punch. We were trying to see because he just did boxing recently. He's like, "Oh, chest, look, I've managed to get my abs got sorted." I punched it and I messed up. I don't know how, but yeah, I punched his rib instead of his ab. It messed him up for the whole like month. It was bad.
Hmm.
Crazy stories. This links to trading because if you don't, gotta link it back to trading all the time, man. this links to trading because if you mess up, you'll lose. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm tired.
The markets will tap you out.
Markets will tap you out before you black out. Yeah. Well,
That's it.
you are tap out. Oh no, you should you should have a stop loss, right? Because you get completely blacked out and get your account blown up if you
If you don't have a stop.
don't have a stop loss. There you go. Yeah, so you got to tap
That's
out.
it.
You're welcome. We learn something new every day, boys. Bitcoin has died to rally against me again. Again. Bitcoin, what is your problem, man? Just drop.
They will. They will.
Still on profit, but still. There we go. So we have a spike up in gold. If we break the highs here, could start rallying back up to 1665, which is my original idea anyways. And then push down. I'm guessing, oh, maybe we're trying to get more buyers for FOMC for it to get blown up, maybe. Potentially. Break that, retest back up, 1662, 1665. Markets aren't clear at the moment. POC went up to 17,610. Got rejected by GJ. We'll see if it starts falling.
No, no, no.
Markets will tap you out, man. Trust. Leave it.
No, you had a nice TP there.
And he's got a perfect TP there. 650, 550. Practically perfect. 5 pips away from to the pip.
Yeah. And that zone was a good area to do it.
Yeah.
It's looking like this is a top wick for the hour, maybe.
Potentially.
Saying
for
that,
the drive
if
back
you look
down.
just at the hourly, I don't really look at the hour, but if you look just at the hour, you would assume the next one's going to shoot up, to be honest.
Yeah, true.
Looks like a
Although, but
clear
if
fake
it,
out.
yeah, it has just retested first value, first deviation and POC.
Yeah.
So again, this could drop back down. Like,
Price
and it is a
yeah.
psychological area as well. So psychological. Like, I'll show you exactly
Price
what I
action
mean.
wise, bearish. So yeah.
Like, the indicators lined up, and you know if the indicators line up, you got to do it. You gotta press the button, right? Look, okay, so here you go. So price push down. So what have we done so far in this session we have currently? Let's just add this as a session. So first, we've created the bottom. Okay, we've created bottom over here. We've created the buy side liquidity up here. We've taken buy side liquidity up here. What we're ready to do now, probably, you know, start pushing down. Start looking for hunting sell side liquidity. We have done that. We have just done that here. We've hunted sell side liquidity. We got sellers in. Sellers that entered over here, most likely than not, they probably got their stop loss broken. Maybe, I don't know, potentially. And then the main bit here is the main thing I'm looking at is this first deviation of the VWAP over here. Perfect retest over here. And I swear, same thing with POC. If this holds for the hour, I mean, and then potentially if you want to be a safer trader, a break at these lows could continue driving back down to 169,400, which is my daily level over here. And it's also a VWAP level there. So keep that in mind. I'm not as convinced, obviously. I'm probably not going to take it. I'm not convinced with this right now, but it's just an idea, really.
Just an idea.
Just an idea. No signals here, boys. No signals from me.
Sometimes what I like to do is I literally just look at the chart and just visualize like what is probably going to happen. Indicators aside, just literally looking at the candles. I feel like most of us in the chat, and obviously me and Mark, you've seen that many candles that you can literally just look at a chart and sort of guess what's going to happen.
Not 100% of the time,
Not
but you know,
100%, of course.
confidently enough. Yeah, confidently too.
Just price action wise, I would assume we're going to continue downwards.
It's all about patterns, I guess. Yeah, in some extent it is.
That is intuition, in my opinion. It's like literally, you looked at that many candles, you can sort of guess.
I mean, that's what strategy is, though. Someone's seen a pattern so many times that they can, you know, say, okay, it's
Yeah.
probably gonna go down to here. That's what trading. That's what trading strategy is, really.
I want to test that one day.
Or
Maybe that's a
intuition. Do it
video
now.
idea. Maybe that's a
Do it
video
now.
idea.
Do it now, bro.
Oh yeah, we can do it now. I'm saying we can do a video idea. Literally just guess what's gonna happen. See how good your intuition is.
See how good my intuition is.
That
Let's
could
do it
be
right
a
now.
series
Hold
too. You get all these different traders on. Just like the GJ trade, just had a gut feeling that. Yeah, exactly. Like you had
where
a
is it?
feeling. Okay, liquidity might be left here.
Okay,
taken out
my
later.
intuition on the weekly, yeah.
That's what I did to gold. Gold or GU? Did you have a gold trade too? When did you have a gold trade?
Here you go, but if you play a little game right now, yeah.
Let me do it on my chart.
Oh,
I'll do it on my chart. Don't worry.
oh.
I'm gonna.
I was gonna do it. I was gonna show you where the levels were.
I'm gonna go to a random day, and you have to guess.
All right, fair enough.
While we're waiting for G.
I better get enough data points to kind of guess.
And that's the point. You don't get any.
What?
You're just guessing what's gonna happen.
No, I use. Okay.
I said.
Well, I'll show you what's going through my mind. I still think it's
Action.
intuition.
All right. Can you
I'll
see
send
my chart? Yeah.
Not yet. Not yet. Okay, this is the real test, boys.
This
If I
is
get
the
it
real
right,
test.
then you gotta like the stream and
Wait. Let's see. What do you have to do?
Oh, I thought you were gonna put it on the Zoom. Okay, whatever. That's fine. That's fine.
Where is price gonna go within the next 3 hours? Just try and predict. Draw something on the screen.
I'm not good. What's this? 1 hour time frame?
This is 15 minutes.
Who the heck? I don't trade 15-minute. Go on a weekly, bro.
Your weekly? What do you mean?
I
your
don't use
weekly?
intuition on 15, but fine, whatever. Okay. So in
Okay,
the
what
next
time frame? The hour.
Nah, weekly.
The weekly.
Yeah.
The weekly.
I use a weekly a lot, man.
Yeah, but you can just see right now what's on the screen. Stop looking at the screen.
Oh,
bro.
did you not go back in a random time?
There we go. Hopefully you never saw anything there. Alright, alright.
Oh, Jesus.
Go on
man.
then. You just gotta predict. I don't know. Just predict.
Okay,
Do
fine.
something.
All right. Next candle is probably gonna end up. Let's see over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Next candle's gonna fill in at least the wick on the current candle. I feel like this is so much pressure right now, man. I'm not gonna lie.
Do you mean take out the low?
No, fill in the top wick at the very least. At the very least.
That's a dead prediction, bro.
Yeah, go on, do it.
I want actual predictions though. What's gonna happen?
Give me a line chart, brother. Well, not a line chart. Give me like
I just give
horizontal.
mine.
Right?
I might be wrong. I just think.
Okay, you might be.
Okay, I've got
How
the
am I
up part
supposed to
right.
do that?
That's what I'm saying. That try and predict what's
There
actually
you
gonna
go.
happen.
Took out the highs at least.
All right. Now
I
what?
got mine right. Screw you.
Now what? Now what?
Now what? Look on the left, bro. How am I supposed to know how? Like,
It's a game, man. I'm messing. It's just a game. Don't worry.
yeah, but I want to be right.
No one's judging you
okay,
here. Don't
okay,
worry.
okay, okay. I expect a bit of a retracement back down to at least the previous candle low. I'm not candle low. That high at 208, 208. I'm expecting a bit of a retracement to 208. That's what I'm thinking next. 208 retracement.
Oh, okay, that was good. That was good. You're.
Did I get it
I think
right?
you're 2 for 2 right now.
You're right. There we go.
Okay. What's next?
Can I get one more candle, please? Can I have one more candle?
It's like countdown. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Consonant.
Let's see. There's a bit of a delay, by the way. That's why if I repeat it. Okay, what's the next candle look like? Let's see. I still can't see it. Okay. From here on out, right? I do expect that price to go down to 201. Did I get it wrong? I can't tell. I can't see it. It's like gives me anxiety here.
No, you got it again.
I get anxiety
This is
here,
not as
man.
good. 3 for 3. Boys,
Okay.
he's actually smashing it.
Um. Okay. From here on, we're probably gonna look to start rejecting around the 200 level. It's probably gonna go to 200 level, start rejecting that, and start pushing back up from then. That's my final prediction. I'm gonna leave it. If I win, if I get that right, that call it a day. Honestly. Oh fudge.
Technically, you're right.
Oh fudge. Let's see.
We just pushed up first, then we went down.
Let's start pushing back up from there. Yeah, that's my prediction.
All right, next, do you think we're gonna go?
Yeah, we're gonna push up from there. That's gonna be the rally up to at least
You
208.
might be right,
honestly.
yeah, if I remember.
At least 208.
Okay, that was good.
That's it. That's the. I'm calling it a
Mark
day,
was actually
brother.
trading back in 2006. So
I'm calling it a day there, brother.
all right, no, I get you. Yeah, that's good. You're 5 for 5.
There you go.
Oh no,
Intuition, yeah.
It's my turn now, isn't it?
Yeah,
Let me go on the 15 minute. I'm
yeah,
not
let's
going on
see
no.
you.
I am on a weekly time frame.
See you, yeah.
Let me pick a random day.
That's a fun game. A lot of pressure, though. I can't lie. I don't want to get it wrong in front of Nu.
See, look, that's impressive. No anxiety.
I don't want to get it wrong in
there.
front of Nu. Nu's like my idol here. Do you know what I mean? I had to get it right for him.
Do you reckon it makes a difference on the weekly and the 15 minute then?
At least it is for me. I can't predict the next 15 minute. I can't lie. I can predict the next
Yeah, but
weekly.
the candles.
That, but I don't know. I honestly, I can't. I haven't tested it.
That's a sort of debate, isn't it? That's the way I roll, bro.
Yeah, the pressure the pressure got to me slightly. So yeah, that's GJ. I don't trade GJ most. Have you? Yeah, my weekly bias. Yeah, I do weekly bias all the time. That's what I mean. So this is what I mean by K. I know it's gonna sound like, oh, I'm cocky now because I got it right 5 in a row, but I'm saying trading and knowing where the market's gonna go isn't as hard as the execution itself.
Alright, here's the hard part, boys.
Bro, here we go.
Here we go. Let's see, it's half
If
6.
that doesn't deserve a subscription, by the way, I don't know what will.
Okay. How much do I need to predict?
To the same extent as I did. I mean, like,
So
not
the
very.
next candle,
It's kind of
really.
vague, but
the
yeah.
next candle.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Or
think
next
we're-
move.
at the
Next move,
least
next
we're gonna-
candle. Doesn't matter.
At the least, we're going to take out this low.
Okay.
That's why.
That's how I
There
started,
we
but
go.
alright. That's how I started. So that's fair enough.
We're going to continue pushing lower. There we go. The next one. This is a tricky one. I think the next one's going to... Oh, well, that's great. Was that a winning trade or not? Let's find out. Let's find out.
Let me just back test while I'm here.
I should just do that to you, fair, but I think we're gonna purge the high and then to push lower. Oh, that was beautiful.
right.
That was
There you go, right,
beautiful.
exactly. Love to see it.
Okay, yeah, we're probably gonna push lower into this zone here at the minimum. This is annoying. My back testing is just coming up.
Say numbers, G.
There we go. Can I? Technically, I'm cheating then. But this is from May, so. Alright, from here.
Nice.
This is where it gets hard. This is where it gets hard.
This is the techie one, is it? Techie one still.
We're gonna range around here for a bit. Oh no, I was wrong there. I think I'm 2 for 3 now. 3, 4, 4. We're at the bottom now. It does give you anxiety, doesn't it?
It does, mate. You don't want to get it wrong. I know it's a game, yeah. I know, obviously, no one in their right mind should be predicting the markets like this.
Wait.
But the pressure's still there.
We're gonna continue bearish. Oh no, go wrong.
What was that question? Sorry, have you our weekly bias?
No, I think he's just saying have your weekly bias.
Yeah,
Then
yeah, have your weekly bias. Yeah,
yeah,
okay, yeah, yeah. Then have five. Yeah, exactly. That's what I do. I have my weekly targets, and then I basically look at lower time frames to execute on them. I won't hit all the targets all in one day, basically, or one trade, but still.
probably gonna take this low out. Well, technically, I wasn't wrong. This
Another
is a
technical
hard
call.
game.
There you go. It's a hard game, isn't it?
Okay, let's
You're on a
see.
15 minute. Honestly, it's easier on a weekly. I'm telling you. If you're on a weekly, you'd be like, oh yeah, okay, this makes
Nah,
sense.
let's see the next London session before I go back
All
to
right,
the actual
okay, okay.
charts. If price didn't lag. What is GJ doing now anyway? Because I have no idea.
I'll let you know. Let you know.
All right, we're
GJ
probably gonna take out this high here.
GJ has. It's still consolidating the same level. Nothing major.
To be fair,
Who wants to go on the call and try play this game?
there we go. That was a good
Who
call.
wants to try this game, man?
Bullish structure, probably gonna take out the high. Um,
Jeez.
we're gonna get a candle coming back, testing this level here.
Yeah, doing nothing. We break the highs, continue
Range,
back up.
test it. From here, something like this on the next
Oh, all
candle.
right.
Pushing lower. But that candle was right. GJ doing nothing low.
Good morning. Bye. Have fun at school.
Bearish. Take up the lows. Highs. Okay, yeah. I don't know what my win rate was there. It was like 50.
Add CHF. Weekly. High time frame analysis.
Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, just do that. Makes it easier. I mean, let's just look at price action right now. So we had a huge big drop. So overall we're bearish and we came back up. We have this major resistance over here. Could easily reject this for the continuation back down, to be honest, back down to previous lows. This seems to be a major liquidity level for CAD CHF, the 0.71 level. So wouldn't be surprised if it dips back down to 0.71, to be honest. In terms of like actual levels to look for reversal, I mean, to be honest, it might be there now. This might be the highest getting created for the push back down. That's what, yeah. Overall bearish on CAD CHF, looking at for it potentially a reversal back to down to this level. But bear in mind, I don't trade CAD CHF, but yeah, that's what I would be expecting here. It's a major area. And then in terms of entry, I guess, look at the daily time frame. The one thing that may stop you from continuing bearish is this level over here. So if it rejects this level, there's a high chance that the bullish momentum may continue. But if that gets broken, I mean, let me just remove the session volume profile. That could continue. As for 12-hour, look at this, look at this. Overall, we're very, very much bullish. On the lower time, on like, not the weekly. But in the weekly, we're bullish, bearish. But on the 12-hour and lower, we're kind of bullish, especially as you can see this quarterly VWAP. We're trading above the VWAP consistently. You do kind of want a break of structure on the lower time frames here. So you can see there's a shift in momentum. I mean, the 4-hour is kind of a good indicator there that it's engulfing the previous candle, could potentially engulf the second candle as well. Finish back down below into the second deviation of VWAP, could at least retest the first deviation where the volume over here lines up quite well. So at that point, you could be ending up being like a break even in your trade. As for the hour, you can see the VWAP over here kind of tells a different story here. Just get rid of all this. So we have now finished below the VWAP over here, so we could wait for a retest and back down. Again, that's just quick analysis on CAD, but yeah. Fundamentally, I don't know what CAD is like. And CHF. I used to trade CAD CHF actually. I don't know if this trade is still here, but I used to trade this. Think. Because you know, back in the day, you would just trade any pair anyways. Though. I just trade any pair anyways. But yeah, I remember it being quite a decent pair. Was a deal. Is he still here? He is. Yeah. Major turning point for CAD CHF here, boys. We could have a bit of a drawdown. We could have a quick spike to the downside. What's your views on it? Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah, long term bearish up. Yeah, same. We may have one more slight push, maybe, but I think overall we are looking to go down on CAD CHF to at least potentially 0.71. At the very least, we could be tapping into the 0.7273 area, at the very least. What was your win rate? Did you know? Did you calculate it? I think you basically got 100% though, didn't you? Basically.
Wait, on what?
On the prediction one.
No, that was not 100%.
Is it not?
Mine was like 60 then. Probably
Nah,
50, 60.
Told you, 15 minutes harder. There's too much manipulation.
Yeah, can push to 74.
Yeah. No, definitely. I see that as well now. Looking at the 12-hour, the daily. Actually, you know what? Yeah, that is true. Looking at the daily time frame, could actually go up to 0.74. Before pushing back down. Yeah. Early sellers might get trapped potentially. Good call. But now let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Slow. It's so slow, man. I'm probably gonna end up holding this for the whole week before it even starts collapsing, to be honest. So annoying.
How is Bitcoin moving slow?
Well, there's no hype around it right now.
There's a slow ass retracement, I see.
I want to see what Doge did. Is Doge keep pushing up, or is it? Oh, let's go, Doge.
Is it still going up?
Keep making me money.
Bro.
For those that don't know, I forgot that I had money in Doge, and Elon Musk bought Twitter recently, and Doge has rocketed, and I was like, I looked at my Coinbase, and I was like, whoa. I don't remember having having this much Doge, and I looked at it and I was like, "Oh my gosh, he bought it! Of course, it would have pushed up." So yeah, fun facts. It's funny. That's great. Crazy. Meme coins, bro. I'm a memer now. I'm a memer. Yeah, I think the time. Yeah, it will definitely take its time.
Previous highs now.
For what?
Doge.
Yeah, not completely.
If
you zoom out, yeah, if you zoom out, not exactly, but yeah.
Do you reckon it reached the previous highs?
No way. I'm just not selling it just for the jokes and bants in it.
You never know. Maybe we'll see a little.
It's just jokes for me, man. It's just jokes. You never know. It could hit $5 for. No, never. Never.
Maybe not $5.
It was an unintentional meme. I can't lie. It was an unintentional meme for me. I just put it there just because I was like, well, there's nothing, you know.
It sounds like Nu did the same thing as you. From his reaction, It sounds like he left money into it.
I think he did, yeah. Shiba did the same thing, but like collapsed straight after, so it's kind of useless. But who knew there would be a resurgence in Doge, huh? Maybe AMC and what's it called? What was the other one? GameStop. GameStop might yeah.
Are you saying that crew did something there?
Yeah, maybe. easiest way to make money. Easiest way to make money last year was literally just memes. It was hilarious. Everyone started making money
Mhm.
in memes. It was great. ADA, Cardano is a bit of a meme for me.
Is it
My friend made
Cardano?
a thing. Yeah, my friend made like £20,000 from like I think a 1,000, £2,000 investment. He bought a Mercedes from it, and he was like, "Yeah, it's fair enough to him, man."
Really?
Yeah, amazing
Wow.
stuff, man.
Wait, how much money
Amazing.
did he put in? Cardano.
2,000 in Cardano. Cardano. He was making decent money to be fair to him, but he wasn't our age. He's making decent money, so that 2,000 wasn't much for him.
Right,
But
right.
yeah, he just bought a Mercedes out of it. Just took it out.
Wow.
I don't know how much taxes he paid for that. Capital gains tax must have been like 20, 25%, something like that. So yeah,
That's mad.
it wasn't an AMG, but he was still well. We're young.
Still a
We can't get insured on an AMG. We can't. Not yet. I got my
I mean, sure
first
you
year
can, but isn't
no
it just
claims.
really expensive? Or are you just saying you
Yeah,
can't flat out?
you can't like realistically and say it'll be worth it for you as a young person.
How much would they be charging?
I mean, remember, like mine is like an i30 which is nothing compared to AMG is like 3K or something, 3
Yeah, but
4K.
that's not that bad compared to
For
AMG.
insurance, that's massive. I don't know what you're talking about. That is
It's
huge.
not that bad, though, I'm saying. Like, when you say we can't get insured on it, like it sounds like you're gonna
Oh, okay.
say
Well,
10,
I looked at a
20K.
Lambo and I can't get insured on it. No one would take me.
Oh yeah, really? Wait, as in they
I
just
looked at
wouldn't.
Aventador and I was like, how much would it take for me to get insured? They wouldn't let me. They were like,
Is it
nope,
literally?
there's no providers for you, buddy.
It didn't even let you check.
Nah, they had no providers to give me
I
insurance.
wonder how these
Bear in mind,
American
I've
guys
only
do
had my
it.
first no claims this year, so that's why.
So do these American guys do it in their dad's name or their parents' name or something? They must do,
I
innit?
don't know.
That must be
Yeah,
the way to do it. You do it in someone else's name and you get registered as a second driver.
maybe. I think
That's
some
the
of them.
only way I
I
can
think.
imagine doing it.
I think some of them have their normal car, right? So they do a car package thing, and they would say that they only drive their like Lambo or whatever for like 200 miles. That's why their insurance is so low.
Maybe. But
And
so
then
you
they'll
can
have
lie
the other
about
car,
that
which is the
too.
main.
They
What?
can't actually check your mileage.
No, well, they can't really unless they check the clock from where it started into where it ended.
Yeah.
Unless you got a black box, then yeah, they can check your
Yeah.
mileage because it literally shows your mileage. Um, but yeah, nah, crypto. I feel like crypto will have another resurgence in the future, but it's gonna get destroyed first. Everyone's faith and thing in crypto.
You
You
can
can
get a
get a mileage
mileage
blocker.
blocker.
Bilal knows, man. He knows this. He knows these, bro.
Yeah. No,
He knows all.
he's worked with cars a lot. He actually does know.
Has he? Oh, bro. Have you? Because I
My,
actually want to make a project car. Because I don't know, just for fun, right? So get like a
yeah.
crappy old car and start putting a turbo and like, I don't know, a bigger engine in there.
Yeah.
I think it'd be pretty cool. Yeah, no, in crypto, I feel like it's gonna get everyone's faith is gonna lose. Everyone's faith in crypto is gonna lose first. Like it's gonna, absolutely collapse first, and then it's gonna have another resurgence because the value is there, right? The store of currency, the safety of it, like I'm sure there's crypto hacks everywhere, but people get fraudulent purchases with their main currency anyways. So I think crypto is
True.
just a safer way to pay for stuff. So yeah,
Yeah.
that's why I think there is value in crypto, and I mean NFTs as well. I mean the way they're used now, there's no value, right? It's just artwork
Most
or
of them.
whatever.
I think
Done,
some of them
right?
do have some sort of value
Yeah,
in
if they
them.
have like, let's say, was it the one that you guys are talking
The
about?
game one,
Paradox?
yeah. Like the game ones, of course, they're
Paradox,
gonna have
right?
value because you can actually use them.
Yeah, exactly. How many people want to go in that Paradox? Because and from what I can see, is you can actually make money in Paradox. Is from what I can tell. That's the
Yeah.
plan. That's the plan,
I mean,
right?
that's what most of these games are like. You play them, you do challenges, and then you get actual crypto or
Exactly.
something out of it or money.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be like some competition. Like, let's say it's a first-person shooter in Paradox. Whoever wins gets a trophy. Yeah.
He was saying as well. They're gonna. Bilal was saying they might even do it for the KSI fight. Like they're in talks with them apparently, where
Yeah.
to get access to the fights, to get tickets, you have to use Paradox. Like you have to buy through the coin. If that makes sense.
Yeah. 30 pounds, $30 a day for playing. Oh wow. Okay, that's quite expensive, but if you work hard enough, you can easily get that back. And you're working in games, like, isn't that
No, wait,
everyone's dream though?
does he mean for renting it though?
I think so. Yeah, I think
I don't
so.
think he means you're paying. I think he means you're getting $30.
Oh, do you? Okay. For renting it, yeah, but like the person paying that £30 want to make that money back, surely, right? Yeah, but I don't know.
It must be the game paying you that.
Oh, right. The game pays you £30. Wow, wow.
Or someone pays you.
How many
Or
tickets you
someone
got,
pays
Bilal?
you.
How much you selling one for? Like,
Or someone pays you $30 a day
no,
to
no,
play.
like the game pays you that. I think.
No, no. He said you can rent it too. Someone can rent an NFT.
I'm guessing that's yeah, $30 a day for playing. You make that minimum.
Either way, you're making it. So,
Yeah, you're
so
making money. So easy, easy. Mate. It's a good investment. I feel like it seems like it's a good investment. Personally, like just because like I would do my own research. I wouldn't just follow the celebrities that do it. But yeah,
oh yeah, I know. He was. That's the thing. Bilal was in the group way before all the celebs started jumping on.
that's
Then it's
crazy,
like
man.
DJ Khaled, KSI,
Yeah, you
this
like you're up
rapper. I
like
was like, what's
massive
going on
right now, aren't
here?
you? You're up massive right now. Crazy. Fair enough, man. That's a good investment. Well played for like catching that. I don't even look into those things, which is probably an issue that I need to look at. Because there was Atlas. It was a space one. It was a
Game.
space game that never came out. That never.
Right. Yeah, there's
I
loads of
invested
them.
in
That's
that.
the thing. There's so many projects. People are
Yeah.
working.
Actually, I can show you guys now where I look to enter, and then I was thinking it's gonna 200x, right? But never did.
First day when the group went live. Jesus. Was it first
Atlas.
day? I didn't know
Atlas. This one right here. Atlas was a game that I was looking to get, and you can see how it tanked.
that. So
I
just
got
had
in
that
around.
one massive day.
I got in around here. So I was up, but I got destroyed by it,
Right.
unfortunately. Yeah. This one was one of the ones I was holding because I was like, yeah, no, it could easily keep going. But I was blind and I was dumb at the time.
Yeah.
Never really looked into it. Didn't do my due diligence, and then got destroyed.
Yeah. So buys for me wouldn't have been all that. I still would have made a little. I still would have made partials. I'm not gonna pretend like I wouldn't have.
Aha. Yeah, we got the cells right?
I would have got something there, but
We called cells, right?
I mean, yeah, call sales from here and here.
Yeah. Yeah, so the cells now. As I said, if you want to save your
400 days.
entry, is you want to break that wick.
Yeah. By the way, I promise, guys, if anyone new's watching, I do take trades on stream.
He does, yeah,
Like
yeah.
last
No,
week, I literally had 7 trades in the week. It's just, I don't know. I didn't see
yeah, I
what I
swear.
wanted. I'm just making sure everyone knows. I'm gonna take 10% out on Public's release, so it'll be risk free. Yeah, that's gonna be good, man.
Oh yeah. After that, everything's profit. You're just riding on profit. That's
That's it. Because when it releases to the public, you always get a little a
Boost. Yeah, boost. Yeah.
He was telling me.
I might get some from OpenSea, so
Hmm.
I mean I'll be down in the hole if it does tank, but it's fine. It's a you know what? It's a game I would want to play anyways. If it does release, I don't care if I can't sell it, whatever. It's a game I'd want to play. I'd want to get into VR anyways, and it seems like that's what they're doing. So in the metaverse or whatever. That being said, Meta is tanking right now, so I don't know who's going to be providing you with the headsets to play thing. It's also really expensive. Imagine opening up an arcade, right? A physical arcade, or even a digital arcade, with that with
With
a
what?
paradox.
Do you mean an
Imagine.
actual physical arcade?
Maybe a physical one if you can afford all the headset that you got to pay for it, or you can do an internet version one.
Wait, what are you trying to say?
Like in Paradox, so basically everyone like you just have like let's say like how does it work? Like you get copies of games that you can access. Like you get an NFT, so you get loads of NFTs, right?
And
then you just
basically, from what I've heard, so if you have the NFT, if you bought the NFT, you get access to a character in game which you can play.
yeah. So
And
basically
then
you can
it's-
have like yeah,
Then it's on the PC. You just
right.
set it all up yourself, and then you access the game.
But you
But
can rent out that NFT,
yeah,
right?
that's it. But you need an NFT, whether you're renting it or you own it. I think you need one to play.
I'm sure someone's smart enough, right, to do this. Think about this. I'm not sure if I'm just being it's a fantasy or not. So okay, I'll check the website out. Paradox Metaverse. So here's what I'm thinking, right? So basically, someone just sets up a metaverse, like a server where someone can walk in, and it's like almost like a what's it called? Like an arcade theme thing.
Yeah.
And in obviously some part of it would be this paradox game where they could choose their character that they want to use. So basically, from the characters you've purchased using NFT,
Yeah.
they can just go from there and pay you how much for an hour or a day. I don't know, something like that. And it just
Mm.
looks sick though. Their website, they know how to make a website. I'll tell you that now. This website's sick. Paradox Metaverse, an open world and action adventure capable. Unreal Engine 5. I can code an Unreal Engine 5. I can code Unreal.
I can do that too.
Wow. The game will be free to play for everyone that added option. NFT holders being able to rewarded with Paradox coins. I'm guessing Paradox coins you can sell to make real coins, but you can also, I'm guessing, use it in the game. That's my guess. 2.5 billion in investments for the blockchain gaming. This is a very what's it called? Ambitious game. Very ambitious game.
Yeah, it's GTA, bro.
5
GTA in the
billion in
metaverse.
It's a bit bigger than GTA, I would say. A little bit bigger. And you need a powerful computer to run this.
I don't know if it'll be bigger.
This is a very I mean, as in like coding wise, this is a lot harder than GTA, I would say.
Oh, with all the NFT stuff, it probably will be, yeah.
Yeah, and
But in terms of the style, it's definitely GTA.
yeah. Total distributions. You need a very powerful to run this though. You need like a 3090 Ti at least, surely, to run this game.
Do you mean just to play it?
Yeah, like as like a good graphics card, because you're gonna be like loading up a lot of graphics,
You
really.
definitely need a gaming PC, bro.
Yeah.
I don't
So
know.
it might not be accessible to everyone, like, unless they can put it onto the cloud and do cloud gaming alongside with it. It might not be accessible to everyone, and only honestly accessible only for the rich, unless you set up a physical arcade. Which, Bilal, what you saying? Want to set up a physical arcade?
Are you buying gold now? What are you thinking? We'll rent the NFTs out. Yeah, renting sounds like a good thing.
Yeah. To be fair, if it does become successful, I have an idea. I will actually create a physical arcade out of it potentially. Although that would like be very hard to get customers unless you're in London. Because who in Worcester would want to play this game? Not a lot. I'm sure there's some, but not a lot.
Who knows?
And then get a PC. Oh, that's your way of doing. Okay, so you're gonna rent it out first for the rich, like, to be able to do it, and then yeah, okay, that's smart. Yeah, that's very
I
smart.
think gold is seeking buy side.
We buying gold. Right now, I don't know. It's held the highs, right? It held the highs. It is looking like it's hunting buy side. It has just taken sell side liquidity, and it looks like it's not done hunting buy side liquidity. So, but where's the nearest buy side? Really, I would say it's probably like 1653. And then after that, clean candles all the way up till like 1666. I'm looking at the hour time frame, by the way. Tough one. Tough one for sure. Sorry, we got distracted with Paradox. Possibly 1690. 1690 is not about bad shout. I feel like it's a little bit too high for me though. I'm thinking gold's gonna go down to 1610, right? But if we go up to 1690, that would break so many major structures in gold, where it would probably just continue rallying back up to previous highs of 1730. So if I want my analysis to be correct, almost, I'd kind of want it to stay within below 1680, is what I would say. Yeah, we can grab the buy side liquidity at 1675, but if 1680 gets broken, if you look at the weekly time frame, that would look very bad. That look very bad.
1690 then reverse for the rest of the year.
Could do. I mean, yeah. Looking at a higher time frame, actually, it does make sense because we have Wix here, 1690.
So is that like a bounce? A bounce back to the key level, retest. Technically, that's what would be happening on the weekly. We've broken the key level, took liquidity, come back. Maybe.
I'm sure many people have sell bias on gold right now, right? So we need to hunt buy side for sure.
I guess if we're saying the recession is coming, people would be taking their money out of the safe haven, wouldn't they?
And putting it,
Turning it
yeah,
back into cash.
yeah.
I guess that's what would happen.
If you believe Iman Gotzi, then he's turning everything into cash, apparently.
Well, what did he say?
I don't know why, though. I don't know why he would hold cash during a recession.
What did he say?
He was like, oh, someone asked him what's the best way to fight against recession. He was like, hold cash. And I was like, yeah, but during high recession, normally there's high inflation. If there's high inflation, then your money's getting devalued every single day it's out of something.
Oh, no.
Surely.
He must know something we don't.
Surely, yeah, yeah. I mean, that's what I'm thinking. That's why I said if you believe him, then it's probably best to hold cash. I'm not. I'm pumping everything back to stocks and stuff when when it's in the discount. FOMC makes me wonder. Look at 12-hour gold. Yeah, FOMC comes out on Friday. Well, the talk comes out Friday. I feel like yeah, okay. If that is correct, that I suppose that we might want to get the buyers involved here for FOMC to just absolutely obliterate it potentially. If we can get a slow buy up with relatively slow momentum, it's just like cruising for no reason to the upside. It might be good to look for sales during FOMC and start looking for sales when FOMC is about to hit. That's my idea. That's my idea. It's a bit of a tough one though. That's why I've been really holding back on the trading gold right now because it's fundamentally it should be going down, right? But right now it's consolidating. It's a bit of a tough one, especially that it was just grab sell side liquidity just now. We should really be hunting buy side liquidity, which is up at 1665 for the 4-hour time frame. And then like if you look even further back down, we have buy side at 1675 around that level. So to be fair, New, your idea might actually be, to be fair, it looks like it's coming right.
See, the 12-hour makes it clear as to why it's in 1690.
Yeah.
Because the way I see it, we're in bear structure. Before we took the lows, price just stopped. It just paused right before taking the low and pushed all the way back up. So I'm thinking, this was maybe intentional. Price thought we need more liquidity. So it pushed back up, generated more resistance here. It's triggering buyers who are waiting above here. Sellers are put their stop losses above here. So maybe that's a good reason why price would want to go back up, because this here was intentional.
And as well, for gold to continue back down throughout the rest of the week, okay, we have NFP coming on Friday. Unemployment went up by 0.1%. So, I mean, that's bad for the dollar. But if the actual numbers comes out a little bit better than that, then obviously US dollar would become a little bit better. Non-farm employment change, 190K. It went down from previous. Oh, I don't know. Hourly earnings, same thing. Who's that price? I don't know. This is what I mean. It's very hard to trade gold right now with fundamental happening everywhere. Fed's combating inflation, but at the same time hacking interest rates. It's a confusing economic landscape right now for me. I just can't see the charts clearly at the moment. I just can't. It's a tough one. Also, Dixie is at a major weekly level at the moment, so that could turn Dixie around. But that would make gold drop though. Oh my gosh, so much confusing things with gold, man. Oh my god. Gold's tough. I wish I took the holiday with news so I can think clearer. Wish I took the week off as well. Come back with a fresh mind.
Just have a day off, bro. Saturday.
Day off? I had one yesterday. No, I didn't really.
Monday.
Didn't really.
On a Monday?
It's a joke. I don't take days
day
off.
On a Monday?
No, because I got to edit during Saturday and Sunday, or else I'll fall behind my schedules. You know.
Yeah, I guess.
Because I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to get the video done and out by tomorrow. So every Wednesday, hopefully, midweek. It's not a bad way to.
Let me just.
I think Cello Beat stayed on the stream. You know, thanks for staying, man. Appreciate it.
Talking earlier.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Bitcoin. I want Bitcoin to end the week at least below 20,405. But will that happen? I don't know. Yeah, Bitcoin's a bit sus, I can't lie. But I'm a break even already, so I don't need to worry about that. So we'll leave that for now. We'll look at gold. Okay, I'll reanalyze gold, okay? That way I can see it clearer. So, let's see. Shall I walk it through? We got 4 minutes to analyze. I'll have 4 minutes to analyze gold before you
This is a
shoot.
Raja trade. Closed under support and now closing. What, on gold or GJ?
Okay, so here's what I'm looking for gold. Okay, so gold, what have we done? We have had a huge rally to the downside. Okay, we have broke this major support previously for gold, and what did we do? We got buyers trapped in this gold sell, in this gold market. Okay, you can see that there was loads of buyers trying to enter. They get nullified by the sellers over here, and then the next week open, we had a huge bearish candle. We basically engulfed two candles over here. So it's a good sign for bearish momentum to continue. After that bearish momentum, you can see that they kind of ran out of steam with just consolidating over here. So if we're consolidating and bears are maybe not out of steam, but they can't execute their positions anymore, it might be actually, right to actually generate buy side liquidity or generate some artificial buying up here by getting retail traders involved for the continuation back down to actually finally break these major lows on the left here. Well, major lows created recently anyways. Not historically, but recently. So yeah, to be fair, you might be right here. It might be good to start buying up here and be a bit more patient rather than looking for sells now. We could at least hit 1665, I reckon, which was my original idea anyways, to hit 1665 first before selling, and potentially even up to 1680 to take these buy side, so we could at least hit 1690. Yeah, to be fair, that is a really good shout. I will be selling around 1670, but if I lose that, obviously my next selling area would be probably around 1690, or if it finishes below 1690. That's my thing. 1665 for buying, yeah, it's definitely a safe target, yeah. If we break these highs now, yeah, as you said, it would be a Raja entry, right? It'd be kind of like a Raja entry over here, with your first, obviously, like maybe risk management level would be here at 1653.
Yeah.
And then continuation back up. Let's see how low the volume is for this. You see the volume is practically single print over here, less volume over here. We could wait to break this volume, this value area here, because once it's out of this value area, it's easier to have, like, quick momentum trades to the upside because there's less volume in that area. So yeah, that's what we could be looking at here. So yeah, buys are very much valid here, above 1650 all the way up to 1665. If momentum breaks 1665, honestly, hold it all the way up to 1680 potentially, or at least 1675 at least. But yeah, that's my take on gold. Gold breakout trade. Unfortunately, I don't take breakout trades, man. Unfortunate. One day I'll get over my pride of taking breakout trades and actually start taking them.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, it is 9 o'clock. Yeah, blah. We're literally gonna end it.
Yeah, literally shooting off now. Thank you everyone for staying, man. It's been a fun one, to be fair.
Sound, yeah. Catch you up tomorrow.